Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. Happy Friday, guys. I hope everyone's doing amazing. It's Friday, May 29th. We are at the end of May, which is absolutely crazy. We are literally almost 6 months into the year. It is wild. This year has flown. Price action has been crazy, to say the least, but we're here. We're alive. It is also day 3. That is 6. Why am I doing that? It is day 3 of the Tradeify Grand Cup Jules round, and I am still alive and well. So we're kicking on. I have my new opponent set out, so we will get into that, and I will talk again into my strategy, how I'm planning to go about this one. Might be a little bit different. I am versing an American here, so we have to be aware of the time zone changes now, and see what I come up against. But I'm kicking on. I'm feeling ready. We will get into Grand Cup stuff though in a minute. We have had some upsets obviously in there. There has been some crazy results come after yesterday's trading day. With Spudnik still alive against all odds, the potato is still alive. Not only the potato, but we also have the No Stop Loss Butcher, who is still alive and well as well. Speaking of him, he will be joining us. So Nick is officially back. London Gang is back today. So guys, it's going to be a killer stream today. We got 3 hours of the London session, and you got 3 hours in total with me and 2 hours with the London Gang, because Nick is back officially today. But before I go ahead, let me say good morning to you all, being here right on time. Good morning, Jalen. Good morning, Kiz. Good morning, John. Good morning, Joemma. Will. Good morning, Cam Jam. Good morning, Misty. Good morning, Amir. Good morning, Rohan. Good morning, Ahmed. Legacy. Good morning, Cameron. Good morning, Paul. I am Manu Mouse. CMA Show. Good morning. Inizio, good morning. Unwritten, Christian, Ritika, Thierry Henry. Thierry Henry. Good morning. Brandon, Realis, Balsid, Udam Bees here. Bogdan, good morning. Yes, Bogdan asked a good question. Where the hell is Tim De La Cooked? Who knows? We'll see if he shows himself today. But no hate on Tim. He did take that defeat so well on Tuesday. So I got no hate for that guy. Respect. But let's get straight into the charts. We will start, of course, with NQ. I'm going to break down what I'm looking at here today, and then we will get into all the great fun and Grand Cup stuff, because that is what is the most entertainment right now. The entertainment of the week, over the next few weeks, Grand Cup is just the most exciting thing. Not going to lie, like I've just been so focused on that. Although I am moving countries literally next week, I'm like, no, Grand Cup. That is like taking over priorities right now. Got to make sure my accounts are up. Got to make sure I'm making it through to each round, because I want that trophy. I'm coming for that trophy. All right, so this is NQ. This is the daily. What are we looking at here? So we have already swept out previous day high. Currently a smallish body. We have basically trading up against close to daily open here. Daily open is sitting at where are we? Daily open 30,328. We failed to make the new all-time highs yesterday, so new all-times are still sitting from Wednesday's high, sitting at 30,379. But in saying that, yesterday's candle close was a nice strong bullish one, so we did sweep back into that daily bullish gap, which I was wanting to be held if bullish price action was to remain. I like the reaction here that we came down, tapped into the bullish gap, respected the midpoint, failed to close below it, and had a nice strong buying wick left behind with a strong body close, showing me there are no signs of weakness here on NQ, and we look like we just want to keep going high. So I expect really today's high, that all-time high, to be taken. That is my targets to the upside. Although we have already taken previous day high, I do expect that all-time high to be the next target. Now, obviously, there was news yesterday that came out during the New York session with Trump and Iran coming to some sort of deal, which looks promising. Obviously, indices are going to love that. Tech is going to love that. We need stability in the world. So when they finally do come to that peace deal, which looks like they're just waiting, I don't know, on some signatures. I don't know what the deal is, but it looks like we are getting closer and closer to that. We should see NQ just rip. So I am wanting to be on the side of the bulls today. Preferably right now, there goes my screen. Right now, what I'm seeing on NQ, though, just technically, like without any fundamental analysis or anything, just actually looking at the charts, we have dropped down into this 4-hour gap. And now that we have traded inside the 4-hour gap, we are having a bullish reaction out of there. Again, failing to close below the midpoint. Although we haven't tapped exactly into that midpoint, that is an area of price I would we could potentially see today. So right now, current 4-hour candle hasn't taken out its previous 4-hour high or low. But there is an area of price down here with Asia low technically, as well as this midpoint area of the 4-hour gap that we potentially could draw into. So I do have my eyes set on that. I'm going to, as usual, let the 4-hour candle determine the direction of my trades in the London session today. Since we have opened, we have traded up in this current 4-hour candle. We have traded to the buy side, and we are very close to that previous 4-hour high. Previous 4-hour candle was an inside candle, so I do expect this current 4-hour to do something and move somewhere, and hopefully be that expansion. So we do want to get a good trade in here. I am yet to take a trade on my Grand Cup account, so hopefully it's a clean London session again, and we can take a nice trade, take a nice win, and then chill and see what my opponent is doing. But yes, that is all what I am watching right now. Let me just make sure I have this on. Yeah, so previous 4-hour high is sitting at that level 30,317. We are like 2 points away from that. I think any moment now we are about to tap that. In that case, I will be on the side of the bears in this session. I will see if I get a nice, if we do end up sweeping that high, which we're very close to, if there is a good opportunity to short back into this previous 4-hour low, Asia low area, I will. But overall high time frame, I do expect us to reach up for those all-time highs. So I will be cautiously taking shorts. I will not be jumping into anything. It'll have to be a clean, displaced move to the downside. And although previous 4-hour high looks like it will be tapped, we also have Asia high still intact, which hasn't been tagged yet. So that is also an area of price that we could potentially draw into before having a reversal off there. So I will keep an eye out on Asia high as well. Asia high for me is sitting at 30,362. Now that is all from me for the analysis, what I'm looking at. I will definitely, I think it looks like I am going to get some sort of setup here once we sweep the high. So let's just get into the Grand Cup. Let's look at what's happened since we've last been together. Now, my jewel right now is I currently have the lead only because he has taken a loss. So he's sitting at $574 in loss. I am yet to take trades, so I do still need to take 3 trades. But given that upper hand right now, I could just take 3 small trades, literally 1 micro, and get through. But I'm not going to play it that safe. I feel like anything can happen, and the way these markets have been moving, and the way I can see definitely people have been trading in the competition is they're taking multiple trades. So just because he started on a loss, I mean, that's how I did start day one. I started on a loss. Doesn't mean he can't recoup the losses and bring it all back, because it's only a $500 margin. So let's see where the session takes us. I have that margin to make up for now. But again, it's all about just having more balance in there than your opponent. So I don't have to go for crazy numbers. And that has been the strategy so far. That has been the strategy. Oh, sorry, my nose is so itchy. Itchy nose. But my strategy so far is just to watch what my opponent is trading. And if my opponent is, if the margin is close, I'm not taking any crazy size trades. I'm just taking the little ones, just securing the profits and getting over the line just to get through the next round. AG Trader says he's an exclusively gold trader. So, okay, interesting. If we know, I'm not sure if that's fact or fiction. I can't trust this chat anymore. Some of you in here were yesterday trying to pose as my opponent, so I can't trust none of you. Trading Market says, why you say jewel log? Lol, because I have a bit of an Aussie accent. So jewel, D-U-E-L, jewel. I don't know. But let's take a look. Who else? There are 7 outlaws left, which is wild. A lot have been now wiped out. Can we go to the outlaws page to see who's left? No. How do I see where the remaining outlaws are? Hold on. Let's go back to the bracket. I know for a fact we've got Joey versus D Money. Now the result of that was not that one. Joey was captured. D Money did take the win there. Sad one. But yeah, I think no one really knew what was going to happen there. Outlaw against Outlaw is very exciting. But D Money did steal the win. And then we have Spud Nick, who definitely stole the win there against Rips, which is incredible. There's no one wants to come up against Rips. So that was a nice win for Spuddy there. And now we'll see how he does with his next opponent. Looks like he is also in a similar boat to me, with his opponent already taking trades and already being a little bit in the red. So he's got a $462 margin there to beat. And then we have Mr. No Stop Loss Butcher himself, Mr. Nick. Where is he? Who's also been making his way to the top. He crushed it. He entered with $55,852 in his account there with a $1,000 margin. Let's go, Nick. And now both him and his opponent with $0 margin between them probably haven't taken a trade, or if we know Nick, he's probably in a trade right now, sizing in, and probably going to result in some killer trades. So I'm rooting for Nick, of course, until it comes to that final stage. Then we won't be friends and I won't be rooting for Nick. There he is. Nick's in the chat. Nick, I am rooting for you. I want you to win. I want you to get, sorry, I don't want you to win. I want you to get to the finals with me, and then it'll be on. Then no more Little Miss Nice, Celine. Then my full competitive side can come out. But no, Nick said rooting for you too. Hell yeah, London gang represent. We're excited to have you on soon, Nick. It's been a long time. I mean, 2 days feels like a long time without the gang. And guys, what the hell? This is my last session with you guys for like a week, because I will be off all of next week. So lock in. It's gonna be a big one, big Friday to end the week, and hopefully we get a killer trade in here. Now, how is everyone doing? How's everyone feeling? Those of you who are still in the Grand Cup, let me know. Let us know so I can check on you in the bracket, see where you're at. I know Misty, you were still in there. Brandon, are you still alive? Tell me you guys are still alive. Nick says you're the goat of scaring opponents. Apparently they're all going to draw down. For real. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. It's the machine gun in my name. They know I'm a serious competitor, yeah. And it's true. I woke up at 2 a.m. again yesterday to double check on my opponent. Like, I am watching. I'm ready to strike. If I need to, I can strike. Nick says I'm 100% back, baby. Let's go. We can't wait to have you on very soon. Who is in the longs, Bogdan? Yeah, let me know, Chad. Are you in the longs? Are you in the shorts? Let me know what you guys are watching. Misty says, I'm alive, but you don't know my name, Colleen. Misty, you're Blue Eye, aren't you? We know your name, Misty. Blue Eye. Let's see. Update on Blue Eye for the chat. Blue Eye, Blue Eye. Ooh. Blue Eye is alive and well into round day 3 with currently a $2 loss there. But Blue Eye, Misty, aka I believe in you. I mean, says Celine, keep an eye on ES as it might sweep all-time high soon, 3 points away. Okay, what? Let's check on ES there. ES sweeping new all-time highs is a bit wild because we're not having that sort of reaction on NQ. So NQ is a bit weaker there. But I do like how this 4-hour has opened. We have open with little to no wick. We have bought up, sweeping our previous 4-hour high there nicely. And I would like to be in the distribution to the downside. I'm using this 1-hour gap as a potential for us to draw into. And then overall, targets to the downside, much deeper retracement would be Asia low and then a tap back into the 50% of this 4-hour bullish gap. But we will see if London wants to present the reversal today or if it's going to continue to just pump here. I will keep my hands away and I'll have to probably trade the New York session. So we shall see. All right, Roman's put a chat poll in there. So everyone go and hit whether you're bullish or bearish today. That's always a good sign. See where the chat is at. And yes, so Andrea says, did Kane survive yesterday? Let's have a look. I do believe Kane is alive and well. Trader Kane. Oh, no. No, they captured Kane. Candle King Trader has captured Kane. So Kane is officially out. So that means that the remaining outlaws are well, Spuddy. Rebecca has now sadly been captured. No more Rebecca. We've got, did Ray Jake make it? Okay, captured. Big Daddy Max. Big Daddy Max captured. We know Riz sadly captured. Miriam captured. Captured. No. We do have, hold on. No, he was captured. Okay, he was captured. I'm trying to find which 7 outlaws are still alive. PB captured. PW still alive and well. All right, there you go. We got No Stop Loss Butcher alive and well. Lumi captured. That's right, day 1. Sad. PB Investing still alive and well. Nice. J Dunn. No, J Dunn. Yes, J Dunn is alive. J Dunn alive. Okay, so I think that's it. Anyone else that we missed? Dizzy, captured, Amaz, AJ, Brian, Brett. That is what's left. 7 of us are left. So that means there are 7 bounties left to collect. I mean, no one is getting mine, I assure you. Nick said I wanted to get Luma's bounty. Sad. I know, that would have been a good matchup too. Would have been very interesting. I think the outlaw matchups are the best. I don't know if we're going to have any more the way these brackets are, but yeah, a lot of entertainment there with Spuddy and Rips and Joey and D-Money. What have we got? So on my side though, I don't think there's any other outlaws in my way really. Like this could technically be a clean shot for the finish line. So I got to lock in. Jadon got lucky. How do you get those lines? Eric, yes, the lines are an indicator. Yes, the previous 4-hour is printed and the previous 4-hour low and this previous 15-minute high. All those levels are printed from my indicator. It's these 2 here. Just the sessions and key levels and then my Sling Trades one that I had built. So right now there is no entry for me. There has been a sweep of previous 4-hour high with a sweep of previous 15-minute high aligned with that. So this reaction here. Also this 15-minute, these are 2 relatively equal highs that we've just swept as well. So we'll see if we get a strong bearish reaction from that. We will see. I will label this as the hourly gap so I remember. And then we shall see. Not going to force anything because there is a lot on the line now. I have to lock in. Kieran says we need Nick no stop loss Butcher versus Spudnik as final 2. Yes, that would be some entertainment right there. The Knicks. The battle of the Knicks. Trader Serve says please check gold. Also, okay, well, I am not the gold queen. We had the gold queen on yesterday's stream, but let's have a look. We have had currently a sweep of previous 4-hour high. We're tapping into this 4-hour bearish gap. I don't mind this for the shorts in the session today. I don't hate that for a short. Maybe dropping back into daily open, Asia low sweep reaction because Asia did this move is just one pretty much solid buy. And I would expect some sort of pullback there. So you could potentially find a short. That's what I'd be looking for. Oh, there you go. There is a setup I probably would have taken after tapping into the 4-hour gap. But we'll see. I'm not currently wanting to trade gold in the Grand Cup just because it's not my forte. And on day 1, it screwed me up. So I'm just going to stick to my guns. I'm going to stick to trading NQ. Hey, morning, Kiz. Kiz says, I just watched a video on how to never fail an eval. Really good info. Thank you. Thanks, Kiz. And I wanted to ask if there is an easy way to see remaining drawdown, please. Yes. So the way I see my remaining drawdown is in Tradeify, which I don't have open at the moment. That was silly. Basically, there is part of the modules. Let's see if I can find it now. There is a module you can add. I'll message you on Instagram, Kiz, with the. I'll send you a photo of what it looks like because I don't actually know how to quickly find it, but basically there's a module and you can see your remaining drawdown in your account. So whether it's like 5,000, 3,000, whatever, it updates with your drawdown linked to your account. I'll send you a photo after. But yeah, anyone who didn't see, go watch. There is a new YouTube video and I break through my risk management strategy. I talk about it a lot on stream, but I think that video just basically runs through how it works in more detail. So if you've ever wondered how I manage risk and all that, go ahead and watch that on Tradeify's latest YouTube. Mia says that video was great, Slim, but we see you moving your stop loss and violating rules sometimes. Well, yes, in a perfect scenario, I would not be moving my stop loss. It is quite strict most of the time, Amia, to be fair. Like, I am quite strict with the stop loss, but moving it like those 2-3 points to allow for the Nicholas Wickless treatment is something I've only recently incorporated, but the actual like rules around the risk and the way I place my stop loss is pretty solid. Bar those 2 or 3 points that I will sometimes move it. It's normally structured around the 15-minute high or low, depending on which direction I'm taking the trade. So, yes. Lobster rolls. You have your Tradeify connected to TradingView, but does it allow you to trade multiple accounts at the same time as groups on TradingView? Yes. So I copy trade through Tradeify. So you'll see if I'm trading an account on my TradingView screen here, it will be copy traded through Tradeify, but you can't copy trade out of TradingView to Tradeify, if you know what I mean. Like if I move in a sell limit on TradingView directly, it's only going to move that sell limit, for example, on that account that I'm actually on TradingView. It's not going to copy it across. So if you ever want to enter a new limit or order or anything like that, has to be done through Tradeify, and it will copy across as long as you have your group selected on that account through Tradeify. I hope that makes sense. Lucky Mon says, Nick, I had to get your attention somehow. Miss you, brother. Hope you're well. Nick will be coming on soon, Lucky Mon. It's going to be London Gang back together today. We cannot wait. And in saying that, that means that we have to set a like goal, as usual, to bring Nick on. We're going to say 400 likes today. 400 likes. Going to keep it easy. You know, nothing's hard. Well, you guys have done it before. 400 is not that bad. So we'll do 400 likes for Nick and then 435 for the first giveaway. How about that? The giveaways were good yesterday. I gave away 250k lightning accounts, which is wild. So let's see. Maybe today some of you will be lucky again. I'm just checking see if 400 is doable. Oh yeah, 400 is so doable. There's like 500 of you already here. So 400 is the likes to bring on Nick. Trader Star of the London Gang will not be with us next week. Sadly, no. We realized because Nick will be in Miami and I will be busy flying over and moving myself over to Greece that there won't be a London Session stream. But when I say there won't be the London Gang, that means there won't be Nick and I, but there might be others. So stay tuned for that. Right now NQ is not providing me that short entry I want to take, so I'm interested to see, maybe we are going to sweep Asia high and then have a reversal off there. But right now, after this consolidation, all we've done on the 5-minute is just buy up. Right now we're closing above these highs, so potential to shoot for that next high, which is Asia high, sitting at 30,362. We shall see. We will see. Kiz, thank you. Just broke my Tradeify trying to find it. Oh, did Leia tell you what it... Oh, because it's called distance to drawdown and Tradeify. Yes, that's the one. Distance to drawdown. There's none on the dashboard except for the curve when you hover the red line. Yep, that is the one. Distance to drawdown. Thanks, Leia. I could not remember what the hell that was. Colleen Franklin, Celine, I'll be in Ithaca starting at the end of June. If you'd like to stop by, I'll take you and your husband on a tour of the island on my boat and let you try roasted octopus with sage. Thank you. That sounds amazing. But yes, I'm not sure that we are up for that. But I did not know you were going to be in Greece, my my official fan club there. That's exciting. I got a fan club in Greece. And Nord says, 70 US away from my second payout in a 100K Lightning account. Let's go. 70 US is nothing. You are definitely going to achieve that payout. You just have to lock in and focus because, I mean, you could easily get that. Don't chase anything, even though you're so close. I know it feels so close, yet it can be so fast. So do not chase anything. Just take the most accurate, easiest A+ setup you can and then close it off. Take those $70 and then run with that payout. Stephen, for the Grand Cup, what are the balances for the top runners? Actually, off the top of my head, I don't know, but we might have an update. Let me check on our socials to see if there has been an update from yesterday's Grand Cup numbers. One moment. This was so fire when they did the recap of the where is it? This one. Can you guys hear this? So sick. Okay, so this is the old video. $14 is the narrowest win. Is wild. All right, so that was the first recap from day, I think that was day 2. So I think we don't have a video out yet for a recap on yesterday's. So I don't have those numbers of the highest P&L and that, but we will keep an eye on the socials. I'm sure there will be a video soon. But it's cool to see those numbers. Like the narrowest win, $14, is crazy close. Yes, Russell says, Celine, are we doing Mario Kart today? I don't think so, Russell. After, Nick's last 3 weeks in a row, we've been giving out like almost 10 accounts on a Friday here. So, I mean, Nick might have something else planned for you guys. We'll have to wait and see. Stay tuned. Leia says, unfortunately, 1 to 2 bad days of trading crippled my... wait, Leia, I forgot. I missed your first message. So to be transparent, I lost a funded yesterday, and I have 2 more fundeds that were $80 away before I started trading. I saw Tradeify show $9 away from busting the account, but now the trade is up. Unfortunately, 1 to 2 bad days of trading crippled my account, even though I've been disciplined for months. Oh, Leia, I hate that. I really do. Like, I mean, the transparency, appreciate that. It is hard to sometimes just admit that you stuffed up and that you blew the funded, but I mean, don't let it cripple your future trading. It does happen. It does. 1 to 2 bad days. I mean, maybe you got to reflect on how you risked in those trades. Those 1 to 2 days where you struggle with trading. But I know you, Leia, you can bring it back. You will bring it back. Sujit, when we can open 4 mini in funded account? I'm sorry, what do you mean by that? What is your question exactly? You can trade with 4 minis, yes. Says, oh, I spoke to Nick. Okay, Mario Kart is on today. There you go, 100%. Nick says, we will do Mario Kart, bitches. Let's do it. All right, Mario Kart is on, but maybe he's been training. The last few weeks have not been good for Nick and Mario Kart. We know that. I mean, good for you guys, because you guys have been winning accounts. Zero as a comics machine gun wants to trade for today. Trade for today. Well, no trade yet. I'm potentially looking to short off the sweep of Asia high if we do get up there. I wanted to see more of a reaction of this 15-minute candle that swept the equal highs here, swept previous 4-hour high, but I didn't get that. So I'm just going to wait and see if we get a setup for shorts. I wanted to be more on the side of longs, but I'm now based on that 4-hour wanting to short this. Basically, 4-hour has opened, barely made a bottom wick there and just traded up. So I'm waiting to see if we get a bearish reaction to trade in this 4-hour 15-minute alignment. And we have a 1-hour gap to fill that has been untouched as a potential draw. And then you've also got lower here, the midpoint of the 4-hour bearish gap that we have yet to retrace into. So we'll see. I am looking for shorts though. AG Trader Celine, check ES. It had 4-hour and 15-minute sweep and FEG as well. All right, let's have a look. Did ES present a setup? Let me have a look. No setup yet on ES. Right now, the 15-minute high has not been swept. Yes, the 15-minute candle before did sweep, but there was no inversion in the first 10 minutes. So that inversion happened at 2:26. So because there's 4 more minutes after that, well, after the close, 3 more minutes until the next 15-minute open, I don't take that inversion. I wait for the new 15-minute to open, sweep its previous high, and then get into the distribution of that. Because in back testing, when I was entering that inversion too late, I was getting swept out of the trade because price would open the new 15-minute candle, sweep its previous high, and then go for it. So to protect that, I had included a rule that would only let me enter the trade if the inversion happened in the first 10 minutes. If that makes sense. Amir says, I don't see ES taking all-time highs. Am I wrong? Let's see. No, we have not. ES has not attacked. That all-time high is sitting at 79, very close though, 7592.50, and we are equal highs. It's an exact equal high at all-time highs on ES. Interesting. We don't ever like to leave those smooth highs for too long. We shall see what setup we get. 1 hour still looks good to go down based on this being bought up. I'm hoping this is the manipulation and we can get a sell in the session today. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, Mr. OGG. On MNQ, I do see previous daily is swept already. Yes, even on NQ, we do have previous day high sweep. As you can see, this level here, this dashed line is previous day high, and it's dashed because we got the sweep. So that's swept right at 6 p.m. Sarab says, hola, Celine. Hope you remember me. Of course, Sarab. You've been around for months. Of course. I do remember some of your usernames, although some of you like to change them and, you know, mess with us. But majority of you, we remember. Andrew says they're going to want to sweep 7600. Well, that is a key level. I would say that is the next key level after all-time highs that ES will head to. Just don't know when. ChemJam, are we going to do a quick pump before reversal all the way down to Monday's gap? I mean, I want to play the reversal today. I do want to get in the side of the bears, but I'm not going to chase it. I just hope there's a sweep of Asia High would make a cleaner sell for me, but if it does happen that I get a setup before then, I will take it still. Vibrant, is your indicator available? Yes, it is. There's a link in my Instagram for that. Tradeify, how do you manage emotions when it's very close to pass an eval? I mean, I just fear to take trades even at my A+. Well, why? Why are you scared? Because you're that close. I mean, if trading A+ setups is what got you that close to passing, there is no reason to change anything. Why are you scared now? I would just get out of the headspace that, like, don't think about the account balance and what's left. Just trade the A+ setups. And then at some point you'll get the email that you've passed. Like, don't worry so much on the balance you need. I think like worrying too much about the numbers is what is going to shake you up and yes, make you hesitate about taking that trade. But if you don't think about the numbers so much, take those A+ setups, that email is going to come through and then you're going to find out, oh, you passed. There you go. So just don't think too much on, how much you need to make up. Sujit says, I'm saying in rule, there is only too many with funded account after scaling. You can open 4, but I have no idea because I took 2 payout already. Sujit, I have no idea what you're talking about. You can trade, depends what size account you're trading. I mean, maybe you need to be more clear on what account you're trading with. But for any like sizing issues, the easiest way, if you go to Tradeify, I'll just bring it up here. Oh, where did it go? Where did it go? This is it. This is how you can find out what max contracts you can trade. So this is obviously a 25k account, 50k, you can trade 4 minis, 100k goes up to 8 minis, and then 150k, 12 minis. And that's how you know how many minis you can trade. So I guess if you're trading at 25k, then obviously 2 minis you can't trade, but everything else, you'll be sweet. If that's your question. I'm not sure that I understand fully. Cam James says, trade your edge and the money will come naturally. 100%. That is one way to put it. One suggestion to avoid thinking of money, set the charts at ticks, not dollars. Yes, Leia makes an amazing point too. Like if it is the money and the numbers that's affecting you, that's making you hesitate that A+ trade, definitely do things like change your, on TradingView, you can adjust so that you're looking at ticks. Here we go. Here is the setting. Nope, that's not it. I want my chart settings. So you can change that. If you go to trading, you can obviously change your position to show you when it's ticks and not money. I personally prefer money, but I guess if you're still in that beginning phase of your trading and that does bother you, like seeing the dollar amount in red and those sort of things make you worry and hesitate, then definitely change it to ticks. I think that can help as well with your mindset. Hey, Selena, you still in Grand Cup? Yes, Mike, I am still in Grand Cup, 100%. I have made it through. I am alive and well right now. I am up against an American, I believe. An American this time. So first it was an Aussie, then a European, and thankfully now an American. So they're probably not watching this stream, I hope. Mr. GU of Miss... Should I call you Mr.? Miss GU VM Trade is who I'm up against. And hopefully, yeah, they're not watching the London stream because every day I have copped my opponent in the chat here trying to play mind games with me. So hopefully I'm clear and I can just trade and not have to worry that they're watching. Wolfpop says, I wish there was an option to see it in points. Yeah, well, you can see it in ticks, which is pretty similar. But yeah, I mean, that is not a bad idea. I don't know why TradingView wouldn't offer that. Strange. The me says, but Justin is watching. Lol. Yeah, Justin, if you come through as that guy's name, if that guy does pop into the chat, I'm just going to assume it's Justin. GUVM cooked tomorrow. That's right, Bogdan, you tell him. They are cooked. Anyone who comes up against Machine Gun Celine is cooked. AG Trader says you don't have to worry about copy trading because he's a god. Okay, AG Trader, how do you know so much about this trader? Is it you? Tell me everything there is to know. I need to know my competitor here. Sarab says, Celine, I'm the ES guy, the one who holds for hours and back from my vacation. Yes, I remember, Sarab. I remember you were killing it on ES. You took a break and you had a nice week that week where you were killing it. So welcome back. Look at his trade log from past rounds. Oh, true. Okay, AG Trader, you got brains. How do I... Wait. Where did he come from? This round. No, this round. Okay. What was he trading? Oh, MGC. Okay, I might be cooked then. If he's a gold trader, I mean, I might be cooked. Della cooked. We'll see, though. We'll see. I'm not going to give up. Day 3 and we're alive and well. Les says, is it Machine Gun Celine or Colleen? It's Colleen. I keep forgetting it's Colleen. Although through the Grand Cup, it's changed to Machine Gun Celine because of a typo. But it's still Colleen to you guys. He has a good win rate, IG. Well, Trader Starve, we're not even going to bother letting that affect us. We're just going to trade the plan, stick to the plan. Okay? That's all I've been doing the past couple of days and it's been working. So we're not going to get shaken up now. What about now? What did he trade to lose 500? I'm not sure. I mean, we can't see what he's traded so far. Trade gold, Colleen, you can't lose. Well, that's not true because day 1 I got screwed over by gold. So that is not true. Darth Linux, where can I find the Grand Cup standings? You can find the bracket, the leaderboard and everything right here. I will post it in the chat so you guys can keep up to date. But if you look at the leaderboard, there is also, you can see individually on the ongoing battles right now, the 1v1s. You can see what everyone is sitting at in terms of their profits. Oh, there is an Aussie in there, Jarrett. Represent the Aussies. I think there's only not a lot of us. We could be the only 2 Aussies left in there. We shall see. We shall trading markets. No way. Trading markets, is that you in there on day 3? You didn't tell us. You snuck that one in. Let's see who you come up against. Trader Stripe says, I see you in top 3. Good luck. Whew, that is a big call. I don't know. I do have a lot more rounds to make. We're pretty much, where are we? We're day 3. There is still, what is it, like 8 more to go? Ends 9th of June, so I still have to make it. I still have so many rounds to go, so it's going to take a lot, but I'm locking in. I'm really going to focus. I'm going to do the London session proud. Russell says, really, a strategy could work trading at the money options. You could just trade options. Honestly, Russell, I have never traded options. Like, it is a little, I think, too complex for me right now. I'm happy just day trading futures, but I'm not going to say never. Like, potentially one day I will trade options, but from what I hear, everyone who's dabbled in options hates it. A Kiwi beat Big Daddy Max. Oh, there you go. Represent from this side of the world. Trading market says I'm in it. That's yeah, I mean, that's one way to win a tournament and then donate. Like, that is really special. I would do the same for sure. Oh, there is a little 5-minute inversion there. Did not notice that one. Probably not the cleanest inversion though, because it was a small tiny FEG, like you can barely see that. So I'm not in that trade. But yeah, trading markets, what's your strategy? I mean, have you just traded gold this whole time? Let me know. What's the strat? Jesse James, nice trading, Celine. Awesome job on the Grand Cup. Honestly, guys, I've done nothing amazing. I'll be honest. Like, I've just taken this very chill. I have just traded my setups and taken it with micros. And that's pretty much it. I've traded my 3 trades. And that's it. I didn't really, like, try. I know qualify round would have been way more hectic because, you know, you have to make as much money to get in that top 1,000 place. But because the way the format works, I mean, I'm just trying to make that little bit more than my opponent. So I haven't been too stressed. Comment says, hey, clean, is the like target 376? No way. Like target is 400. 400 likes will bring Nick on. And then 435 and we'll do the first giveaway. What's Nick's name in the Grand Cup? Well, which one? Because we've got No Stop Loss Butcher is the London Nick, and then we have Spud Nick is the other Nick. Misty says I traded MNQ only just so far. Yeah, that's same as me. I've only traded MNQ this whole tournament. Celine, what entries do you use in NY? Ivan, I use multiple different entries. I'm not really trading New York in the last few weeks since being back in Melbourne just because of the time zone. But when I do trade a New York session, I'm using more because sometimes we have, well, most of the time there is more volume than London. And so price can just rocket after a reversal. Like after sweeping a key level, it might pump like 80 points. So I'm not willing to have such a large stop. So sometimes I will trade an entry based on a pullback into a 1 minute FVG after a market structure shift. That is one way that I definitely trade the New York session. So waiting for a pullback rather than just entering a market, because sometimes there's just that pump and I can't get the entry in just because of the stop size. That, and also I still will trade an inversion if it's, again, a fair enough stop size. And that's pretty much it. Using FVGs a lot in the New York session, but market structure shift as well. Did Spud win yesterday? Hell yes, Spud won. Yes, let's go Tradeify TV represent. Spuddy did take out rips. So what an if anyone wants to go back, I'm sure he would have covered it on the stream. So if you went there in the New York session yesterday, that would have been one funny session to catch, because rips was also on stream. Market Maker Drew says, does London boy Nick never use a stop loss? That is right. The London boy Nick does never use a stop loss, and he's not going to anytime soon. And why should he? I mean, that guy's killing it. We're going to have Nick on very, very soon, and he's going to talk about all these, well, I hope he's going to let us in on his dual trading, but that no stop loss is definitely working for him. Wesley says Rips was on the stream, was great. Okay, yeah. So some of you would have been there watching. I obviously was asleep. Not my time of the night. I cannot be awake trading New York session here. I refuse. Although I have been waking up 2 a.m. to check the scoreboard, to check the dashboard. But actually trading New York has been hard from Melbourne. Crank Tracer Spud was losing his mind. Rips was baiting him to trade. He totally tripped out yesterday. He must have been exhausted. Yeah, I mean, it's all about, that's the most fun part, I reckon, about this Grand Cup, is like, it literally is all about the mind games. Once you see your opponent's balance, it changes things. Like, I have a feeling in my guy yesterday, when he saw that I was trading after the London session and I was up a couple $100 or whatever, that he started to panic. And so he went down. He like lost the rest of his account overnight in the New York session. Whereas that's when I made most of my money in the New York session yesterday. So, I mean, anything can happen, but I feel like that's what made him tilt, really. Because my opponent was winning yesterday after the London session. 80 Trader says, be ready this time, Celine, because your dual is from America, and being a gold trader, it's possible to have big gains in NY. Oh, we are not scared. I'm going to take him on. 80 Trader, you best believe I will take him on head on. I got this. Alan, what's going on? He says, what's up, beautiful people? Well, we are locked and ready for a killer London session. We haven't done too much in the Frankfurt Open so far. We have 10 minutes until London Open, and so far we are just continuing this move to the upside. Asia low was put in here at 30,216.50, and we have just been buying up since. There is a 1 hour FVG that has not been tapped that I'm interested to trade into, especially since the hourly open has not got a bottom wick, and that also aligns. That is also obviously the 4 hour open as well. So right now, because of that, I am more eager to get on the side of shorts today, but watching Asia high as well in case we get all the way up there and then take a reversal off there. We shall see. AG Trader says, I know you can, just saying be ready to trade during no. Yes, I know. Although, like I say, I am more likely to be sleeping. I do know when I'm versing an American now. That's what I was about to say. Knowing that my opponent is in America means it will be different today compared to the other days, because having a Belgium guy and then an Australian guy means by New York session I could pretty much chill, because I knew they probably weren't going to trade. But this time round, I know I do have to be careful. Alpha Bravo says, I'm not in the competition. Can we see status on Tradeify website? You can see any of the brackets left, the leaderboard. Everything is on tradeify.co. If you just go /Grand Cup -leaderboard. This is where you'll be able to get all the updates for the competition and the brackets right now to see who's up against who. Super Sealing says, I saw your checklist, intermediate time frame sweep. Do you mean the 15-minute liquidity? Yes, the sweep for me is so basically I have the high time frame sweep, which is the 4-hour high. Then the intermediate time sweep, which I choose, is the 15-minute time frame. So that's been swept now, as you can see, that high has been swept. And so now I'm waiting for the inversion, the bearish reaction off that to be involved in the shorts here. But until then, no trade for me. The like target for the giveaway is 435 likes. 400 to get Nick on in the next 10 minutes, and then 435 to do the giveaway. But chat, let me know who is in trades. Actually, let's have a look what the poll votes came in. 72% bullish and only 28% bearish. So I think that's fair enough given the high time frame, given the situation like with fundamentals right now, being that it looks like Trump and Iran are going to seal a deal. But I am more interested in taking a short little reversal here to the downside. Yes, looking at shorts when it's close to all-time highs. Yes, I mean, we're not at all-time highs in all fairness to me. I am still a little lower than that. I would like us to have the reaction at Asia high. That's the only short I would probably take here today. Otherwise, if it just keeps pumping through Asia high, then yeah, we probably are going for those all-time highs. Justin says, Celine, you won. I hope you win the whole thing for Nick. Yes, Justin, I'm alive. I made it. Day 3. Let's go. I mean, I hope I win it too. I hope it's me versus Nick honestly, either of the Nicks. I would love to go up against either of them. But obviously, you know, I've wanted to battle the no stop loss butcher forever. So that would be, for me, the ultimate head-to-head. Market Maker Drew says, so does London Nick just never lose with no stop loss, or when he does, he loses his whole account? You're going to have to take that up with the no stop loss butcher himself, but that guy has a very high win rate. So that's all I'll say on that. Yo, good morning, cheese balls. How we doing? We are 7 minutes away now from London Open. Is anyone in any trades right now? Anyone taking these longs? We are just back at previous day high now. Guessing now we make a run for Asia high. That is the next level approaching. Beyond that though, we have all-time highs after that. So we shall see. That's why I'm really interested to see the reaction at Asia high. But if you're in these longs are printing. Asia Trader says, I'm sorry, Slim, but you and London Nick, I think Nick will win easy. AG Trader, do not be saying that. Would you put your money on it? Okay. We will see. That's all I'm going to say. We will see. Just realized this has changed settings. There we go. Natalie says, in longs from last night, but could be tempted to play a little short. Well, that is exactly how I'm feeling. I want to see a little short play out here. AG Trader says, the reason I said Nick will win is because Nick can trade all sessions and he scalps and swings. That is true. Nick has his strategy down pat. I would, not gonna lie, I'd be a little bit nervous, but I would still, you know, I would say I could beat him. I hope he's not listening. We'll see. We're about to get London Nick on here very soon. I know you guys have missed him. 2 days without London Nick, and we haven't been able to talk shit about anyone. So we do miss him. He'll be here soon. Bogdan says the shallots are printed. Bogdan, you make me say that every day. Justin says, when is your move to Greece? The move to Greece is Monday. So sadly, I won't actually be here with you guys next week. I will be busy settling finding a place to live, doing all that next week. And then by Tuesday the 9th, I will be live from Greece with you guys, which will be so much fun. It'll be my morning. I'll hopefully be a lot more alert and we won't get those stupid Celine slip-ups as we normally do at this hour of the day. By 7 p.m. I'm like, my brain is gone. So it will be good to stream from there, be awake and have the London session be my morning. I feel like I can function better in the morning. Definitely. Oh, there he is. Nick says, I'm always listening. Of course he is. Creative Ball says, looks like we will have a TGIF today. I think so. I mean, daily yesterday, we were an inside candle, no? Were we? No, yesterday we did sweep. Well, based on, yesterday's daily candle bullish close after sweeping down here, taking out previous day low, that tap in, the strong bullish close, I say we're having an expansion to the upside. All-time highs looking way too close right there. But we'll see. I do want a little bit of a pullback in the London session. That would be nice. And then New York head for the all-time highs. John says, hey, welcome to Europe, Celine. Thank you. Sam Cobb says, you have to prepare an intro for Nick. Oh, I've always got that intro ready. I've always got the intro ready. Actually, let me check how the likes are sitting at because we need 400 to bring him on. 435 for the first giveaway and 400 to bring Nick on. So I will quickly check where you guys are sitting at. But chat, what the hell? Not even 300 likes and you have 3 minutes. Go, go, go. If you're just joining, there is almost, I think, over 800 of you right now. Everyone, go and smash the like button, okay? We're about to have No Stop Loss Butcher in the house. We haven't had him for 2 days, so go and smash the like button. We need to get to 400 likes in order for me to bring him on, and if you don't, then it's just going to be you and me for 3 hours straight. And honestly, I don't know if I can do that for another day. I need Nick back, so make sure you smash the like button so we can have Nick back and we can have the London gang back together in the next few minutes. Go, go, go. Roman Barrera, are you more of a reversal trader? Absolutely. I'm a reversal trader to its core. I cannot long the highs. I just cannot. Once we get to the highs, I'm shorting that. I'm waiting for the reversal. I've got a framework and I've got a setup that I use to get into the short. So I'm not just like, aimlessly shorting when we sweep a high. There is structure behind it, but yeah, definitely I'm not the one to be longing the highs. I'm waiting for the reversal. Always. Robot says click the button if you like dark charts. For real. You know what, guys? You don't even have to have my white charts today. You can have Nick's dark charts today if you like the stream. I know a lot of you have dealt with my white charts for the last couple of days who have been hating it, but you've done well. We didn't have too much complaining from the chat. Amir says, I trade London and lately I've been doing it with you guys and I'm used to it. I'm going to miss you guys. Oh, I know, us too. It's not going to be the same. It seriously is not. I will be way too busy to trade. I probably just will take the whole week off really from trading. But I'll be back. We'll be back. Nick will be back as well. I will be back June 9th. But yeah, gang will be back together. We will miss you guys. Cam Cham says, is this setting up for London to dump? I hope so. I am needing and wanting to get a trade in here. We got Grand Cup Day 3. I got to trade. I got to find 3 trades to take. AG Trader says, I'm a white chart guy as well, Celine. It's the best, although I don't do pink bars. Okay, that's fair. The pink bars is my thing. You guys don't have to be involved. Oh, look who we have. It is him, the No Stop Loss Butcher, in the house. He's alive and well. Let me just check on the likes. Let me check. Oh, we need just a few more, chat. I'm going to be stubborn. I'm going to ask. We need 400 likes to bring him on. Come on, London gang back together. And we can literally do it in a minute. We can get there before London Open. Come on, chat. You guys can do it. I believe in you. Oh, is he already in a trade? The No Stop Loss Butcher. Okay. I see. Chat, we already got Nick in a trade. So if you want to be nosy, you better bring him on. That means the likes need to go up. Let's have a look. Almost there. Guys, with almost 800 of you, this should not be hard. Go and smash the like button. We want to know what Nick's trading. Go, go, go. 387. All right, we're almost there. Almost there. I will have his intro ready because I think you guys are going to smash that like goal. Let me get it up. Quick refresh. I'm being stubborn today. You guys know the rules. There's over 800 of you here. All right, 400 smash. Let's go. It is time. Let me introduce you to the YT wearing, head ever moving, GP trading, biohacking, mutual catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, KFC hating, Five Guys loving, butter playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat batting, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely a never CPI full potty, no pro marathon running, Nick Tater, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice humiliated, 91% no stop loss win rate once beta, Dishon, the one and only, the no stop loss butcher.
Hey, what up, gang?
We meet again.
We meet again. Round three of the Grand Cup.
Hell yeah.
Look at that. Out of all the hosts, the two London streamers are still in. Look at that. How you doing?
Good. I'm doing good. How you feeling? Fever gone?
Hey, I'm 100% back. Don't you worry.
Let's go. London session back, ready. Chat. Everyone put a W, Nick, in the stream. We missed you, Nick. I mean, we always talk shit, but it wasn't the same the last 2 days. So everyone W Nick for making it out alive from his fever the last couple of days. He's alive.
Look, we're live. We're live in real life. We're live in the Grand Cup. And you know the drill, chat. You know the drill. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're ready for the day. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you think Celine absolutely crushed it without me. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you can see that Celine, Machine Gun Colleen, and the No Stop Loss Butcher are both still in the Grand Cup. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you know that I'm going to absolutely crush it at Mario Kart today. Because, hey, I'm not going to let you win again, chat. I'm not going to let you win again. That one is over. I swear. Maybe I'm just better at trading. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. I'm in a trade right now. So let me zoom in for you people. Actually,
shorts,
let me set up shorts. I like the shorts. I do like the shorts.
Is this the Grand Cup account? That's what we all want to know.
No, these are my funded accounts.
Okay.
Do you think I'm just going to trade my Grand Cup account on stream or what?
I have been live trading the Grand Cup on stream with you guys.
You gotta explain me one important thing, Celine.
Okay, go on.
A very important thing.
Yes, go on.
How the hell do you get your opponents to cave like that? Like, how are you advancing with $260? Like, how are you advancing with $998? How are you doing that?
Good. It's so good. I don't know. They see my name and they tremble.
How are they so fucking scared of you?
Because I'm the Machine Gun Colleen, buddy. They know. The smoke's coming.
How does your opponent already have a loss of $600? Like, what the fuck?
They're like, oh no, it's Machine Gun Colleen.
It doesn't even make sense.
Literally, they know. They don't
one you had. Dude, Tim De La Cooked has been down $5,300. Yesterday's opponent down $2,750. Today's opponent already down $575. What the fuck?
That's because they know they don't want the smoke, Nick. What can I say? They know what's coming.
Let's put this into perspective really quick, okay? Let's put this into perspective really quick.
Hey, I'm winning fair and square, buddy. I'm playing the role.
But look at this. My first opponent, okay, he went into drawdown. Second opponent yesterday made $4,800. I had to battle this shit. Did you see the amount of trades I took?
I'm just like, ooh, little micro here and there.
Wait, look at this. Look at this.
Damn. Shit.
Okay, I battled this shit. My first trade, look at the time. My first trade was at 6:15. Right, that's 6:15 my time. So that's 15 past 12 a.m. Eastern time. My last trade was at 9:15. So that is, we're talking 15 hours.
9:15 your time.
Yes, 15 hours. I didn't take a single break.
I could imagine. And you were sick as well, probably at the desk. Like,
I was fucked up.
oh my gosh, that is dedication. But hey, you killed it. Like, come on.
How the fuck are you doing this? I need your secrets. That's incredible.
Dude, no one will ever know. Guys, just trust the process. I'm gonna make it.
Incredible.
You watch. Now, my guy today already is down. I hope it stays that way. I'm just gonna, take my little micro trade, and hopefully that's enough to make it through. But if I escape my way all the way to the finals, it will be one funny story. Like,
hey,
we'll
I mean, look, your opponent is down today, so you got good chances. Did you take a trade yet on your Grand Cup account under Outlaws, from Outlaw to Outlaw? Did you take one?
In all honesty, no, I haven't. No, I seriously haven't. I'm waiting for a short. So that's what I decided. I'm going to be honest with the chat today because I'm pretty sure my opponent is asleep in the US right now. So I've been open and honest. I said I haven't taken a trade yet, but I'm looking at a short. That's all they're going to get.
All right. I am in a short on my funded accounts.
And not the Grand Cup account? You sure about that?
Well, I could say yes. I could say no. You will never know. I will never talk about my Grand Cup account. Whatever anybody asks, I will not answer. No chance.
Oh, come on. I guess it's more fun that way. We all have to I've been waking up at 2 a.m. just to find out what my opponent's at. Like, I have been loving that whole thing.
The only thing I'm going to show you, there's only one thing I'm going to show you about my Grand Cup.
All right, show us.
Okay. So, out of all these trades that I took, I had, let's go through this. Plus 200, plus 179, plus 200, plus 39, plus 34, plus 89, plus 135, plus 62, plus 95, plus 4, plus 20, plus 530, plus 265, plus 134, plus 1, that's the other guy, plus 165, plus 270, plus 20, plus 114, plus 107, plus 211, plus 245, plus 235, plus 5, plus 12, plus 39, plus 40, plus 55, plus 102, plus 117, minus 30, loss number 1, plus 210, plus 22, plus 46, plus 42, plus 78, plus 90, plus 215, plus 240, plus 205, plus 22, plus 5, plus 10, plus 43, plus 30, plus 49, plus 27, plus 30, plus 24, plus 26, plus 29, plus 51, plus 56. Second loss, $10. So total $40 loss. Plus 4, plus 10, plus 12, plus 15, plus 26, 38, 42, 34, 32, 31, 17, 20, 26, 42, 12, 23, 27, 79, 4, 1. Nice. 23, nice. 66, 69, 89. And that's it. 2 losses.
Sheesh,
one was $30 and one was $10.
Nice. That is a solid run yesterday. And yet it was still so close. So
it was a battle. I was thinking he might have got me,
So where were you at the last, that
was
were
the
you
crazy
always
part.
above?
No, not at all. Look at that. First update, he was $50 behind me. Second update, he was $100 and something ahead of me. Third update, he was $300 ahead of me.
Oh, that's when
and then he fumbled the bag.
Yeah, that last update would have been the trade. That's what I think happens to my opponent. Like yesterday, they would have seen I took a trade in the London session and I was up a little bit, but they were still winning. But I think something must have got through to my opponent's head thinking she's going to trade New York. And then that's when they fumbled it and started to like take 10 trades. I just took a couple stabs in the New York session. It ended up like making a grand and then shut it off. I was like, all right, well, this is enough. It looks like enough. And somehow my opponent crumbled again.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, look, we got Francisco from the Congo in the chat. That market maker, that is trading, son. That's right. Somebody else said, JJ, why are you selling contracts for so cheap? Well, to make money. We make money. I'm not saying that I took a 1 micro scalp for friggin' 2 points. I'm not doing that. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. You'll see. Once the Grand Cup is over, like, I don't know how far I'm gonna make it. Let's see. Once I'm out, could be at the very end, could be earlier. We will see. I will break down what I did.
We want to see us in the final. That's what I want to see. Me v you, Grand Cup final.
I wanna win it. I'm putting in the work.
Do you have any outlaws left? To like in your way?
I mean, technically, I think I could face PW. That would be nice.
Ooh.
Technically, because he is right.
It feels so good getting PW out of here. Beating PW.
PW should be here. Yeah. So if he wins the next round, okay. If he wins 1 round, 2 rounds, 3 rounds. In the 4th one, we could meet. So we both have to win 3 more rounds, and then in the 4th one, if we both win 3 rounds, we're gonna face each other in the 4th one.
I don't think I have any more outlaws on my side. Like it would have been Brett, I think, next for me, had he still been in it. So I think I'm clear of outlaws now. Let's just hope. I mean, these traders aren't pros or anything.
Yeah, well, I guess we'll see. What's impressive, and really we gotta give some credit to people who absolutely crush it. The guy who had the most profit on the first day also had the most profit on the second day. He's crushing it.
Damn.
He's crushing.
What's
He's a good
his
trader. He's from Sweden, I know that, but I don't remember his name. Wait.
Oh, from your town.
His name is... He's not on it today. I think it's something with... Well, I don't know. I'm going to give you wrong information.
Damn. It's all good. I'll check it later. I love that video they came out with that like recapped that second day or first day. That was like told us the smallest win. That was cool. To see all those stats.
Machine Gun Colleen. You see that?
Where?
Francisco says, Nick versus Celine. I would wager 3 million on Nick.
3 million Congo franc?
The Congo francs. Hey, by the way, Francisco, today I'm walking with a speed of 3 kilometers per hour, so I'm 0.5 faster than your grandma.
What the hell?
The last time he told me that I walk slower than his grandma. Damn it.
Hey,
he says USD.
Oh, USD? Okay. Well, Francisco, we just automatically became enemies. Like, why are you wagering that much against me? Huh? Don't worry.
Well,
I'm keeping
if you're smart, Celine, if you're smart, you're going to cut a deal with me.
Ooh, another deal?
Hmm.
We'll see. I'm not open for deals yet, buddy. I'm not open. We'll see. Shorts are coming in. Looks like it. Potential.
Well, I am in shorts, so bring them.
Bring him. I haven't got a setup yet, but I am liking this so far. 100 million on Nick.
He doesn't understand mom jokes, but grandma jokes.
That's a whole nother layer. Oh, there should be a betting site where we put money on Celine and Nick. Yes, Alpha Bravo. Don't worry. I thought about that. There really should be.
Celine, by the way,
yes.
I see you're back on the 1 minute charts and super zoomed in. Don't you want to zoom a bit out? Like inhale, exhale.
Okay, yeah. Whew. It gets a little bit hectic in this 1
minute charts. At least 5 minutes.
All right, 5 minute will do. We'll do that. Yesterday, I was in the London session, you would have seen, and then ended up like coming within a tick of, and it didn't end up mattering anyway. I ended up making it through to to day 3, but I missed out on like $700 profit. I got stopped at break even on that, took a partial, so made like a little bit, but damn, that was infuriating because the rest of the day we pumped. We ended up going crazy after that, so missed out on all that money. So we'll see. Hopefully London presents a nice setup.
Monies. Okay. Can you check in on Captain Trades? Yeah, sure we can. Let's see. I remember him talking some stuff, so let's see.
Same. Lol.
Captain. Aww. He lost his first round. Against somebody who lost $1,100.
Damn. Damn. He was talking a big game.
He was talking a big game. Well,
it's always the ones you least expect. Chat.
Talking and doing are two different things, right?
Mm-hmm.
To be fair, he did well in round 1. He got into like the top 20, I think. But I told him, it doesn't matter. Just relax.
Yeah,
be in the top 1,000. Everything else does not matter.
For real. And what I'm realizing about the Jules battle is it seriously is just about having a few dollars extra than your opponent. I am not taking this, like, I've not been taking any crazy trades or anything. I'll tell you that. Very simple, very basic, but it's getting me through. So I'm not changing anything. The issue now, though, is, Nick, my opponent today is a gold trader. So that means, obviously, there is a little bit more pressure there. Because if they are going to be taking gold trades, there's going to be a lot more profit for me to make up for. So let's
look at this. What's your opponent's name?
His name is...
Wait, I'll find it. So here we go. Your opponent's name is GUVM Trade. Okay, let's see how he did before. So he made $2,000 yesterday, and the day before that, oh wait, that's the wrong one. The day before that, he lost money. So even if he is a gold trader, I mean, he first gotta make money with it, right? I mean, be aware of the following. If he can make more money trading gold, he can also lose more money trading gold, right?
This is true. I'm hoping for the second. I'm hoping that he obviously loses more because there is more risk trading gold, but more upside too. So him being already in the red means he might be a little bit more desperate to take more trades. So I'm hoping, I hope he's not watching, but I hope
let's look at gold really quick. Means 1,000 viewers. Look at that.
Ooh.
Look at that.
Oh yeah, London gang back together.
From the very low to the very high, gold moved 35 points today. So far, nothing crazy.
Nope, nothing crazy. Oh, I want to get in these shorts. I want to get in.
Well, do it then.
Nah, you know what stuffed me in the first day? Oh, what? I got into stupid trades in the Asia session on NQ, and then a stupid gold trade as well. Just playing stupid, like, desperate trading didn't serve me well, so I'm not going to do it. I'm going to stick to a disciplined approach here. I'm just going to take... I only need to take 3 trades. Just going to do that.
You do you. Whatever fits your plan, do that.
Yeah, $200 in the bank. I mean, it's working. I'm not even trying too hard. It just is. Someone out there is scared of me. A few people. Clearly.
I mean, it's worked with every opponent so far, so you're good. It's the same thing here. It's like, I had to make this amount yesterday, or otherwise I would have been kicked out. You didn't. You just had to make what you made. So why would you make more, right? It's the same thing as with Captain Trades. Oh, I want to be in the top 10, otherwise I'm a failure. No, you qualified. You're in the top 1,000. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, exactly. And I mean, at the time, my opponent, when I had refreshed, the last amount I knew he was at was like 900 and something. So I was like, all I'm aiming for is to make the 900 plus a little bit more. So I entered with like something like I'd made 1,000 on the trade, closed it off. And then it was funny because it was like 2 minutes before that I was in a long. And then 2 minutes after we had that Trump-Iran like massive like 80-point pump in a minute. And so that was a lot of money I left on the table. And so there was a little bit of me that just wanted to get back in. But I said, no, 1,000 should do it. You know, hopefully he's tilted. And yeah, I think part of it is luck. I mean, I didn't expect him to tilt that bad, but it's worked.
Yeah, Tim that cooked, he fumbled the bag like bad.
Oh, that guy fumbled bad. And he was in here talking again a big game, but I have big respect. I'm not going to talk down on Tim because he came in here yesterday and was like, fair and square, Celine, you won, and he took it like a champ. So respect, Tim.
You know what's crazy? Roman, if you go to my charts really quick. Oh, also, Roman, if you can take a screenshot of 1,007 people watching, hell yeah.
Ooh.
Wait, what's the like goal for the giveaway first, actually?
435. Did we smash it?
508. So let's do a giveaway.
Let's go.
And then I'll do my breakdown here. So chat, if you want to participate in this giveaway, all you got to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, you have to fill out that Google form, but only once. If you fill it out more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, in what shape or form I'm in, or whatever question along the lines of that, you will get hyper, super, duper, mega disqualified, so don't do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you ask me now how to participate in this giveaway, you will also get disqualified. So don't do that. Here we go.
Herbert said 1,000 people here for Celine's nose and hat.
Go
on.
Okay. What did I want to say? Francisco, where's the Google form? You're getting disqualified. Every single day you're disqualified. You gotta buy yourself an account. You can't win it. You gotta buy one because you're disqualifying yourself all the time. All right, what did I want to say? Oh yeah. It's crazy to me that out of 24 outlaws, there are only 7 left.
I know. I mean, we're only in day 3. It's wild. I think a lot of upsets in there. I think a lot of people had money at least on Miriam and Rebecca making it through. That was a big upset.
Yeah, you know, I'm looking a bit forward to Monday because Brett said, remember, in the team channel on day 1, he said whoever has the least profit on day 1 gets punished on the live stream on Monday.
Oh, yeah.
That was Mario.
Oh, that's going to be one interesting stream.
That's going to be interesting. Actually, speaking of that, chat, on Monday, the New York stream on Monday is going to be an in-person stream with the whole New York Tradeify TV team, all in person in the same studio. So tune into that. It's going to be chaotic, to say the least. It's going to be chaotic. I know that for a fact.
I already have FOMO, but I'll be on the plane. I'll be thinking of you guys. I'll try watch. Hopefully I have Wi-Fi. We'll see.
I hope so. I hope so. Justin, am I going to be there? Yes, I will.
I'll tell you what though, like when it...
Wait. 1 second. Constantine says, the cup setting seems to favor big degens. Just look at the butcher. Sure, I've been degenning this. Sure.
Guys, you can't seriously believe that after you can see he's clearly up thousands each and every day. You guys, he wants you to think that.
Do I?
Oh.
Or do I not? I don't know. Maybe.
It's
maybe
all
not.
mind games, chat. You have to realize, chat, it's all mind games. It's all mind games. What was I going to say? Oh, about the outlaws, like how much pressure there is, really. Like, I think at the end of the day, like, it's a bit of a relief, honestly, when you get knocked out, because I guess then you can focus on your funded accounts. Because while I've been trading Grand Cup now, I have not touched funded. I've just been focused so much on the Grand Cup. So there is a little bit of relief when you do get knocked out, I will say that. So there is pressure.
I would disagree. You
reckon?
Yes. I'm still trading my funded.
I don't know.
thought it
Maybe
was.
it's just me then. I'm feeling the pressure. I feel like everyone's watching now. Like 7 of us left. You gotta lock in. Economic. Are you keeping live streaming after the Grand Cup ends? Of course. We're here every single London session, New York session, now Asia session as well, Monday to Friday. You will find Tradeify TV.
Always.
Shadow Moore says, who won out of Spud? Spuddy took home the win. He smashed Rips out of here, and he is through to the next round.
Yeah, that was a good win. That was a very good win. After hours hustling, how many steps do you take average? I can give you the exact number. So far this year, average is, and I know there will be some people in the chat who say, well, the average doesn't matter of steps, the distance counts. But wait, where did my Fitbit app go? What the hell? What?
Good entry on these shorts, Nick. Are you watching this?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Sniper.
Wait, it changed to Google Health? Damn, okay. Didn't know that. Interesting. Okay, so average step count this year so far, 15,154 a day.
A day. 50,000 a day.
No, 15.
Oh, okay. Even that. It's pretty good.
50,000 will be wild.
Yeah, I was like, what are you doing?
Yeah. Oh, Francisco, how did you know? What the fuck? Francisco says 15K-ish per day. He knew.
Oh, Francisco from the Congo. He knows everything.
I mean, he's in the chat a lot, so I don't know.
He must be counting your steps. That's the only way.
Imagine he's just sitting there
He's like,
in the Congo
2.
in his, what did he say, BMW i3 Rex, and he's counting my steps, huh? Mm-hmm.
Wait, Francisco, what's he at now? I want to know how many steps you think Nick is on right now.
On the day so far, okay, let's see if Francisco knows.
Like, close enough. Hit us with a number, Francisco.
He says I stare at charts all day. Honestly, I believe it.
6,300-ish?
He says?
6,300-ish.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fucking incredible because I'm at 6,400.
No way.
6,400.
No.
Yeah, not even kidding.
That is crazy.
You probably can't see it.
Oh no. No, you can't. Francisco, are you like in his house? I feel like he's right there watching you, counting your steps.
But it's 6,400. It's actually crazy.
Crazy.
For real, really says, hey Nick, I filled out the form twice. This is a glitch from my side, a mistake. Can you remove one if I enter 2 times? No, I'm sorry. You get another chance on the second giveaway.
Cool, you're harsh today.
I'm just not going to go in there and remove people. Like if, whatever.
There were some I had to remove yesterday. I realize now how much of an effort it is when we run the giveaways because some people still don't get it. You say only enter once, and there was a guy that entered like maybe 100 times. Just stupid.
Yeah. Leah says, can you tell us what the market is going to do, Francisco? Well, Leah, I at this point, I bet he can. Let's hear it.
Jonathan, Nick, can you order me a pizza again if I win? Apologies, I might not be around long today. If it's Friday, so he's feeling like pizza.
Sure. I'll order your pizza if you win, Jonathan. Francisco says, dippy for the rippy. Leah, there you go.
Ooh.
Now you know. Now you know.
Psychic Francisco now. Oh yeah, AG Trader Francisco. Will Nick and Celine win their round 3? Let's hear it. Tell us the future.
Robot says, I say Nick and Congo guy are the same person.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just me with my alt account. Just me with my alt account. Oh, that's funny. Okay, Francisco says down to 30,118.5 to 30,101.5 and then Rippy. That's very specific.
Okay.
That's
Francisco says Nick wins. Celine Rip. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Please, no, Francisco. The shorts have definitely
you know what?
Played out here. Tapping into the 1 hour bullish gap now. This was my area of TP. So wondering if there will be, if there's a bullish reaction and a nice long out of here, I will take it. Won't be an A+ setup, but like yesterday, I will still take it on the Grand Cup account just because I need to start taking some trades.
There is one thing that is a bit odd about this Francisco guy.
Okay, tell us.
If he's really from the Congo, why is his name Francisco? Like, is that a Congolese name? I don't think so. Is that your real name, Francisco?
I'm searching this up right now.
Hey, congrats, Russell. Russell passed the second Mario Kart account he won. Well done.
Yeah. Wait, Francisco is it is a common name.
Is it? Oh, he says my grandma's father's name. Look at that.
I think they have Portuguese somehow in their bloodline.
Really? But Francisco isn't really a Portuguese name, is it?
Apparently.
Okay, these shorts are currently up 50-ish points.
Nice trade. You pretty much top tick that.
I don't like that, honestly. I wanted to add more to it, but I can't if it's in profit.
Don't you hate that when the trade's too good?
Yeah.
When the trade works out way too well.
How
was it trading with a fever though? That would have been tough.
Oh, that was annoying, I tell you.
Yeah.
But it's all fine now. We're good. We're 100% back. We're ready. Yesterday I was feeling better than the day before, but today,
you're alive.
Back. Yeah,
we're back. I'm so glad because it's our last stream together for like a whole week.
Yeah.
Sad time for the London session.
But we're gonna be back the week after, and then Tuesday is gonna be the final, I think. So.
Hell yeah.
JJ says, Nick, why do you trade with small size? Just because I'm scared. No. LSG, Nick, if you do lose on level 9 during round 2, do you still get the price of level 9? I don't know. Do we get the rewards, Celine?
As in?
Like, I know we can win the grand prize as an outlaw.
Yeah.
But do we get the other reward?
I don't know, actually.
Because, I mean, if you made it to today, you get $625 guaranteed. But the question is, do we get that or do just the others get that? I don't know.
Do you reckon? I bet we miss out just for being outlaws.
I think we can only win the 200K, if I'm honest.
That's it. Someone's going to have to ask Brett and Vinny. I won the 600 US. I got to put it towards my debt here.
I want the 200K.
I mean, I want the 200K for real.
You can have your 600 US. I win the 200. That's a plan.
Oh, I want the 200. Damn it.
All right, let's see. Giveaway time.
Yes.
Gotta copy everybody over. First, I gotta check if the asshole is back. No, he's not. Awesome.
Imagine he's back just for you. That'd be funny.
That would have been funny, though. All right, copying everybody. Second. Here we go. The wheel is still here. Let's see. Okay. Here we go.
It's gonna be a big one. We got over 1,000 people here. Big giveaway.
Yeah, there's 900 people in the giveaway.
Sheesh.
Dang, that's crazy. Oh, but there's 1,000 people watching, so London stream is killing it, chat. You guys are killing it. All right.
Big session. Let's do it.
You know what? 1,000 viewers. We're gonna pick 2 giveaway winners. Why the hell not? Winner number 1. Winner number 1 is gonna be Simran If, or Simrani F, or Simranif, or Simranif, or I don't know. What you?
Congrats. Let us know you're here.
And you know what? I'm going to keep you in this giveaway. So if you win again, good for you, man. Okay.
That's
You just typed. So first, before we see what you win, we're going to pick a second winner. Second giveaway winner. Because we have over 1,000 viewers. Come on, we have to pick 2, right? Second giveaway winner is Chomama. Let's go.
Chomama again. Chomama.
JJ says Simran If is my nonna. Nice win, nonna. Funny. All right,
no, wait, for real, Chomama again?
I mean, look
Nick
at it.
Nick definitely rigged this. Nick just wanted to scream Chomama.
Oh, I got you so good last time. It was great.
Oh, that was good. That was actually funny.
Chomama, you got to type something in the chat. What's my trade doing? Oh,
this guy was hard to read. This username. This one was really hard yesterday. Noah Tikotium. He was the guy who won.
Noah Tikotium?
Noah Tikotium.
Damn.
Chomama.
Chomama, where are you at?
He's here. He says, "Yo, mama."
Wait. How do I not see that?
Chomama 777.
I can't see him.
Go live chat.
Yeah, I am on live chat.
Open your eyes.
Yeah, they're not really good. Oh, there it says thanks. That I see. Okay. All right. So both of you, let's see what you win. Oh, you know what? We're gonna make this interesting. So the first person, Simran, we're gonna spin the wheel only for you, and then we're gonna spin the wheel for Chomama. So this one is for Simran. You, sir, win. Ooh, oh. You suck.
No. And it's a lightning. Oh.
You suck lightning. All right, we're going to be fair. We're going to remove both of those. So now you will still win something, but it can't be a lightning. That's the new you suck rule. It removes this account type.
Yes.
Okay.
That's actually
Simran, you win 100K growth. So type something in the chat. No, you already did. Lul. Add your email address, and that goes for both of you guys. Add your email addresses to your YouTube channel description, and make sure it's the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify accounts, because otherwise, I'll not be able to send you your account. Okay, so now we're gonna add back the lightning for Chomama, and we also gotta add back the you suck option. Gonna spin again. Chomama,
imagine it.
You are getting a, is it 50 or 25? Let's see. 25K growth account. Congrats. 25K growth account for Chomama. So all you gotta do now, Chomama, same thing. Add your email address to your YouTube channel description, and make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we will be sending you your free account within the next 7 days, or how Spotty would say it, the next 7 days erroneous.
Congrats. That is our first giveaway. We shall do another if we hit the next like count goal, which is, Nick, what should we say?
Wait, just one second before we do that. Trading Ready B says there was no "you suck" for Joe Mama. My friend. If not, then what the hell is this? You blind? Okay, next like goal. I mean, we have a, you know what? No next like goal, because we're going to do a Mario Kart tournament today.
Oh, of course.
The rules for Mario Kart, they have changed a bit, okay? I got my ass handed to me the last couple times. So now I got to get confidence back, you know? So how do we do that? You have to beat me, and you have to be in the top 3 to get an account.
Oh.
Because we don't want to reward people who are freaking 7th place if I sucked and I'm 8th, right? So
that's kind of fair.
Rank 1, rank 2, and rank 3 each get a 50k growth account if they beat me. So if I'm number 1, nobody gets an account. If I'm number 2, 1 person gets an account. If I'm number 3, 2 people get an account. If I'm number 4 or less, 3 people get an account.
I think that's fair.
That's very fair.
Otherwise, we risk giving away way too many accounts on a Friday here.
And we reward people for being shit.
Well, they're better than you.
Just because I was more shit.
Yourself? Oh, there we go. You are more shit. See? He can't admit it, chat.
I did. I was shit the last couple times. I'm not going to argue with that.
I reckon just stick to trading, Nick. Give up on Mario Kart at this point.
Yeah. That's okay, Leb says. Did you say Monopoly or Mario Kart? Are you dumb or stupid?
It's Mario Kart Fridays, people. If you're new here, welcome to Mario Kart Friday.
Yeah.
Ash, there will be a lobby code in about 15 minutes when Nick starts the game up, and you guys will be able to join the lobby. But it is best in best dress, like first in best dress, because there's a max amount of people allowed to join.
Mm-hmm. I gotta switch my setup here from walking to sitting, so give me a couple seconds.
Steri says, can we have a game with a bigger lobby? No, Mario Kart doesn't allow it. I think it's like max 11 or something, 12.
12 including me.
Oh, so yeah, 12 of you can join. That's the max. Good morning.
No,
is Destiny Samson? Oh, sorry.
Because it's 12 including me.
Okay. That was a little bit of a moment there. All good. 11. 11 of you.
Math is hard.
Where are you going?
We're going down.
That was funny. It's going good today. Is Destiny Samson? It's going good. Where is the game? The game is online on Switch. Butcher is ascending into heaven. No, for real. That was really... Nick, it looked like you were like... That would have been a perfect moment to do the God voice because you were like rising on the screen. It's funny.
Or you can do the opposite too. That's how I take off my hat every day, look.
No. Oh. It just stops halfway. I'm gonna miss wearing the hats. They've sort of become...
I mean, you can keep wearing it, I guess.
Imagine that. Just fully rebrand myself to the outlaw trader.
Yeah. All right. So update on my shorts. I'm up 60-ish, 65-ish points. My target is 109 points at 236.50. Actually, should be 236 and a quarter. Technically, I could go lower, but I'm just going to go for 109 points.
Jane Bond says, how did you short the top? And can you explain your process just got here? Go on, Nick. It's a newbie.
When price was at the top, I pressed sell.
And that's all it is. Sometimes trading doesn't have to be so complicated. And the no stop loss butcher
The thing is, everybody says it, but they don't do it. Buy low, sell high. Price was high, so I sold.
And you do it with like consideration. You don't go in heavy. You go in with a micro. There is like a strategy to it, which I think I'm sort of getting the hang of.
Ooh, you're getting the hang of it? Look at you.
Starting to make a little bit of sense.
Look at you.
I'm learning.
Yoni Fence says, took that trade with Nick and hit full TP. W Friday. Hey, fire, Yoni.
Ooh, nice. Anyone else take these shorts with Nick? You guys will be banking. Shorts have been printing here. Colleen, you are looking for any trade right now? I'm not. A perfect setup for me would be coming up to sweep previous 15-minute high to tap into the 15-minute bearish gap up here. But we could just keep dumping here. We have previous 4-hour low and Asia low in sight to the downside as potential targets. So how do I want to get involved if it keeps selling off? If we invert the hourly as well, I might not get an entry for shorts. But it is what I said to begin the session with. I was looking for the short. Didn't get my A+ setup, so I'm not in this. In all honesty, but I am still waiting patiently, potentially a setup. Because we've got to pull back at some point.
Let's see. I mean, your opponent is down in the Grand Cup for today.
That is true.
You can be very patient.
Yeah, I got to think about how I want to do this. I also probably won't trade full size just based on that as well. You know, you got to use the strategy. Yeah,
I mean, for you, the update at 8 a.m. Eastern is going to be important, right? So next update at 8 a.m. I mean, if he's still down or even worse, then you're going to be fine.
I'll be good. Yeah, so I'm going to see. I will take, hopefully, I need to take a London session trade. I'll take it with small size, and then I'll wait it out till the 8 a.m. reveal. That's the plan.
Yeah. PPX Trade says, Nick, I'm curious, not joking or trolling. I just want to know if you might one day explain your model publicly or you don't just want it out. I said if somebody guesses it, everybody can guess. And if somebody completely guesses it, I will say that is correct and I will share it. But I doubt that that's going to happen. To add to this.
So he's never going to tell us.
Well,
look, everyone, can you explain the logic of this trade?
I mean, maybe Francisco gets it since he seems to know everything.
Everyone wants to know the logic, Nick. Maybe one day, guys. Maybe one day. JJ, why Greece, Celine, any other countries on your list? Greece because I just love it there. I have done some traveling. I have traveled Europe a bit. And I find Greece the most, like for me, it ticks all the boxes. I mean, you have the best weather. You also have, the people are really nice. I love the beach, the food, the quality of food, and still proximity to like Europe, being able to just catch a quick flight over to Spain, whatever, be in London on the weekend. Like, I just know wherever I was going to move to, I had to be in Europe. I just want to be close to Europe. But yeah.
Nice. Oh, Wizard guessed it. It's simple. He just YOLO long or short with no stop loss.
Oh.
There you have it. He guessed it.
It's just a YOLO. We don't believe it. It's too repeatable for a YOLO, Nick. It's too...
Well, Enki Skrilla says, I've never seen anybody trade like Nick. But everybody has seen people YOLO, so it can't be that.
This is mind games now. How about the language Wolf Pop trades? I actually understand a bit of Greek. I mean, my fiance is Greek. I have been around his family for years now. I have picked up a lot of Greek, and everyone speaks English there anyway, so I don't really need to worry. Everyone speaks English in Europe. Or in Greece anyway. Not in France. Well,
wait, Francisco is guessing or typing. He says, Nick appreciates that trading is a craft and not for entertainment. It takes a full understanding of knowing what your account size is and how you approach. There is no A+ setups and your stop is always bet. Well, I guess he ran out of characters. And better than your initial position and it will make more money than your first. Well, he's onto something. That's all I'm saying.
Interesting.
Francisco seems like a smart guy. Francisco from the
He
Congo.
also apparently knows the future, so he's pretty smart.
Well, he said 30,118.5 to 30,101.5. So that would be down here, about 194 points lower. So we'll keep an eye on that.
He's the smartest man in Congo, says a teacher.
JJ, Nick, do you have plans to move to another country? What do you like about Switzerland? No, I don't have plans. What I do like about Switzerland is obviously it's very, very safe, right? Very high quality of life. We do have looking for the best word, probably like stability, you know?
Yeah.
No real worries, to be honest. And I obviously have all my friends and family here too, so. Nick, are you, what the fuck? Fried chicken. Nick, are you ticklish on your feet? Dude, that's kind of, I don't know. This question is kind of scary.
That is so weird. Oh my gosh. I'm glad you're getting the weird ones now. Throw them all to you.
Well, it was the funniest shit yesterday, it was yesterday when everybody suddenly had other usernames like Celine's nose or Claudia's inhale, exhale sign.
Like I was like, I'm alive. You know what's funny? That they have to, these usernames can be changed for like 2 weeks. So it's just such a troll on themselves as well. Oh, you guys found the Only Feet page?
The Only Feet page.
Can I share it? I'm still looking for the Only Feet page.
I can send you the link.
Okay. For free?
Sure. I'll give you, how about this? I'll give you a $7 free trial. How about that?
For 7 days?
7 days, $7 free trial.
Love it. I'll take it.
Misty says, Nick, do you like to visit India? Wait, I have internet connection issues. 1 second. Share brother, India is the best country in the entire world, of course. Sorry, my internet cut out. Back.
We've missed that the last couple of days.
You missed what? Sorry. My internet cut out. I didn't hear what he said.
No, I think there's a guy. I don't know. I think he must be at Roman's house. He comes through sometimes through the mic. Someone must be at Roman's house, but it's all good. He left now.
Weird. Well, anyways. Okay, NQ from the 266 low there is now up to 94. Target is, as said, target is 236 and a quarter.
I'm waiting for, we're very close to previous 15-minute high sweep here. Hopefully going to get a sweep of that and tap into the 15-minute bearish gap also. That's what I'm looking for next for my bearish play. Do not redeem. Where are you looking to add? That's a good question. Jesse says, if this trade reverses, where are you looking to add, Nick? Or are you adding?
Well, it depends how the price moves. If it just slowly grinds up, then I'll watch it. If you get a big candle, ooh, that's tasty. We'll see. Wicksweeper says, Amas had a tickle troll in Asia too. Same person? Maybe.
That's so weird. Fried chicken. Interesting.
I do personally think that we're going to hit TP first before we get a chance to add, but we'll see. Could be wrong.
Okay, well, I would like the opportunity to join in these shorts. I'd like to know if the chat is in this trade. Anyone in fading right now in longs, or who is in the shorts? Let us know.
That's his
It's
name.
almost time. Huh?
The guy who made the most money day 1 and day 2, Rippertown is his name. Misty just said Rippertown is down today. Okay, let's see. Rippertown. Is it Ripper?
Damn.
Oh, okay. But to be fair,
it's an Aussie.
No, it's a Swede.
No, it's an Aussie's vest. Shut up.
Yeah, he's
versing an Aussie.
Yeah, he's versing an Aussie.
But... I'm saying.
Rippertown was, to be fair, he was down 2,400 yesterday, and he ended the day up 14,000. So he's only down $400. It doesn't matter.
That's nothing. Yeah, he could still win.
I'm confident he will come back because it looks like he's a good trader. Look at this. Let's go to the brackets really quick.
Shout out to my Aussie.
So see, first day he made 8,700. Wow, the other guy only made 4 cents. What the fuck? Second day he made 14,800. He had a $22,500 margin.
Crazy.
To the other guy. But at first he was down 1,300. Sorry, correction. I said 2,400. He was down 1,300, and he ended up 14,800 in profit. So I'm not worried about Rippertown. He's doing good. Leah says he or she. I don't know. That person, whatever. Doesn't matter. It's a good trader. Oh, you said it earlier, Leah? Sorry. Didn't see it.
That is crazy though. What a trader. Crazy numbers. I'd love to talk to that guy, know how he was trading.
$14,000 in a day on one contract. It's impressive.
It is. There's a big numbers. I gotta go 1 sec. I'll be back. Chat, I have someone at the door. I need to quickly go. I'll be back.
See ya. All right, chat. Now, before I load up Mario Kart for you guys to win some accounts, let's hear it. Where do you think the market is going in this session? Are we gonna go back up to 345 to my entry and I get to add more, or are we gonna hit my TP at 236? Let's see. Mine to Dave says lower. Leah, can you see how many trades they took, Nick? Yes, we can look in a second. Short, chop and down, down, up, 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 down. Roman, can you get a poll up? The poll should ask, are we gonna? And then the answer should be, go back to Nick's entry, or go down to Nick's TP. Yes, I can hear you, Roman. All right, all good. He's trying. He's trying, chat. XDB is asking, what does Francisco think? Well, Francisco said, dippy for the rippy, it's early. Dizanti says, go back to your stop loss. Well, there is no stop loss, so that's impossible. That is impossible. Maybe we're gonna get a poll. I know that you know this, Auntie. I know. Don't you worry. That's double trolling. Up to 30,311, then down to TP, says Robot. Well, that's 10 points from here. Mandeep, great that you asked where Selena is. Let me bring her back on in like 3, 2, 1. Here she is.
Hey, I'm
Magic.
back. Okay, did I miss anything? No trade. Oh, there is. Oh, I might be getting it set up right at this second. Shit.
Bogdan says, Nick, why are you shorting in all-time highs? Don't you know it's not good? You will get cooked. Listen to the chat. Just kidding. That's what other people say. Seriously, though, Bogdan, you know it. All right. Good that you're back, Celine, because now I got to start up the Mario Kart thingy.
It is time. Yep. Can't wait to see. Come on, Nick. You have to redeem it. You have been on a losing streak.
That's correct. Again, chat. Now I'll explain the rules again in a minute. Let's see.
Celine, are you taking trade? No, I am not taking a trade yet. Just had a straight big 1 minute candle. I know I have to zoom out, Nick. I know, but I'm not entering. It was a 19-point pump in a minute, but I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a bearish reaction now out of the 15-minute bearish gap, which will be in the form of a 1 minute inversion. If there's a strong displacement, I'm gonna enter that. But if not, I'm staying out.
All right.
We shall see.
Kiss said, I asked my 5-year-old if I should join Mario Kart today. He said yes, and it doesn't matter if I win or lose as long as I have fun. Such a sweetie. Well, in Mario Kart, I agree. In trading, that would be a bit of a wrong mentality. I hope you don't take that over into trading. You said what, Roman? Oh, it doesn't matter anymore. It's too late. It doesn't matter. Wait. Where did my...
Oh, let's see if we get a short opportunity here. What we are ripping. A little bit of a rip. Thank you.
Well, it moved. 15 points.
Sheesh.
Where's the rippy?
Right there on the 1 minute. No, but I am waiting. I'm not look, the bulls are trying to come out. I'm not convinced. I want to see how we close in this 15-minute gap. That's what I'm waiting for now.
All right. Chat people. For those of you who want to join Mario Kart, the code is 78KT. I don't know if it is a 0 or an O. I think it's a 0. If it's not a 0, it's an O. So let's see. Join in now.
All right, I'm excited for this race.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting.
It's the redemption round for you. 3 weeks in a row is not looking good.
No, I sucked. I got to admit. I sucked.
Cam Jam says 1 hour doesn't have a bottom wick. Still, we haven't flipped on the hourly. Let's have a look.
Whoa, look at all these people joining in at the same time.
Oh, that was cool. Like a whole army.
Yeah, we have one more space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, one more space.
You guys were ready.
Yeah, now we're filling up those spots fast. It's crazy. Oh, there's the last one. Okay, we're full. That's crazy. The first time we did this, we got like 1 player or 2 after 20 minutes waiting. Now it's like a minute and it's full.
Everyone just walked in. We're here. It's because it's too good. It's because you suck and they know this is the best chance they have of winning an account.
All right, chat. Here are the rules. If you beat me and you're in the top 3, those 2 conditions need to be met. Across 4 races, you get a 50K growth account.
Brandon, you better be in this.
Yeah, look at the... Oh, he's actually not in.
Really?
Yeah, remember he's the ugly guy? The big ugly dude? But he's not in.
I just entered a trade. Whoops.
You entered the trade. Yeah, let's stay on the charts then for a bit. We can play Mario Kart later. Trading is more important.
Is it? Well, when it's Grand Cup, it is. Here we go. Let's see. I'm in 5 micros here.
Mario Kart King is not in the race.
No.
He didn't make it.
You actually have a chance today.
Mm-hmm.
But wait, is Russell in there? That's what we need to know.
That's a great question.
Right, this is the position. 21 point stop. Gonna target 1-1. 32.7475. Okay. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. So, reason I'm in that trade, basically, we had the 4-hour high sweep already earlier on in the session. Then the 15-minute reaction now that we've had, the sweep of the previous 15-minute high into the bearish 15-minute gap. I was looking for a bearish reaction from that on the 1 minute, and it was a displaced inversion at 404. So hoping to get in with that volume to the downside now after that bearish reaction. But we'll see. It's a 21-point stop, 5 micros here. It's not huge size, and it's because I'm playing the strategy because my opponent is currently down, so I don't need to be risking so much. If you know,
True.
you know.
So far, I haven't had a single opponent that was down. I wonder what that feels like.
I got lucky then.
Jalen says, I'm fading Celine and Nick tonight. Tragic.
Ooh.
Yeah,
Good
tragic
luck.
for you. Celine and I both in the shorts. I'm short from 345 and a quarter. And you from?
296 and a quarter.
All right. HE Trader says, J-Down got even more lucky. Okay, let's see. Roman, let's go to my screen. J-Down. Oh, wow. Yeah. Wow. Okay. J-Down made $267 the first day and $139 the second day. His first day opponent lost 8,200. His second day opponent lost 9,300. Incredible.
Damn. Me and J-Dum both just making out.
That is
just
lucky.
getting through.
That is incredibly lucky. Wow. How many, okay, chat, let's take guesses here. How many outlaws are gonna be left after today? Currently there are 7 left.
Ooh.
How many do you think we're gonna have after today?
Well, it drops pretty dramatically. I mean, 24 to 7 in only a couple of days. There could only be like a couple left tomorrow. Really? It's getting pretty heated. Jalen says you guys will be left for sure. Let's hope so.
4, 4, 5, 4, 3. Leia and Francisco both say 3. Tim says 3. Mario Kart King says 3. Hey.
Okay, better. Who do you think of the Outlaws will be left after this round? Who's everyone got their money on to make it through? If it's 3, like which 3? And it better be
well, it better be Sputnik, you and me.
It better be. The Knicks and Celine. Trader Kane got captured, but is in... No, it's not. Kane is not in the next round. He has been captured.
He's definitely not in the next round. Look, I'll go to the board. Trader Kane. Eliminated, you see? Yesterday, eliminated. Oh my God, his opponent who beat him yesterday is down $1,200 today. Well, 1,130, but...
Tilting.
So many people in the negative. Oh.
It's a good day to stay patient, I reckon.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
All right, Celine, you observe the charts. We start the Mario Kart tournament here.
Yep,
Okay, one more reminder, chat. Here are the rules. You get a 50K growth account if you beat me across 4 races and you are in the top 3. As long as you're in top 3, you have a chance. If you're below top 3, you don't get anything. That's it. And Celine, you let me know about price, okay?
Yes. What do you want to know exactly? Where we are?
Yeah, if we go up, if we go down, let's define an up or down. Up would mean we go back to my entry. Down would mean we go below the recent low.
All right, done.
All right, everybody. It's a 150cc race. You gotta pick random for the track. Nobody can choose a track. If you choose a track, you get eliminated. Meaning, you can still play, but you don't get anything even if you beat me. You have to do random. It's got to be fair for everybody.
Ooh, the trader guy says I was up $2,300, which is actually quite a bit on one mini. Or trading M and Q, opening the leaderboard and degens were up 10K plus. Fuck, that's bad. 10K.
Ooh, somebody dropped out. We're only 11 people now. Mario Kart King, you could have joined, but it's too late now. Sorry.
Damn.
Womp womp. So now, the good thing is they can't gang up again because they all want to be in top 3, so they have to fight each other.
Yeah, that changes things now.
Yeah.
I was going to say, the strategy is not going to play out, chat. It's going to be
you can't gang up on me anymore. Oh, Cheeseland. I know Cheeseland.
Ew, cheese. Yuck.
What do you mean, oh, ew? Look at that Emmentaler there. Swiss cheese.
I hate cheese.
Okay,
Chris.
Chill. Dude, who's this fast guy? Who just stole this from me?
Let's go.
Let's see if I'm better today. Oh God, bad.
What's changed?
Wow, Celine.
No! Oh no, it was Kiz who got dropped. Kiz had a connection error and she got kicked out of the Mario Kart.
Oh, no. I dropped twice. Look.
Oh, what's going on?
I don't know.
Gotta get those glasses on. You actually need glasses. I'm convinced.
I do need glasses. That's correct.
Nice.
That was a nice shortcut.
Nice recovery.
Oh, come on now.
Oh.
Shit, there's a star guy coming. No.
Go on, chat. 3 of you have accounts up for grabs right now.
Yeah.
This is looking good.
Not for me. Well, it's only round 2, so. Rusty, what's up, gang?
Thank you still inside this bearish gap. I would hope this stays open. If this does close, I'm going to be more interested in taking a long on the Grand Cup account. Just saying.
Oh, damn it. Oh, God. I'm sucking again.
Not looking good.
No, not looking good, chat. Well, for you, it's looking good. Not for me, though. You all just... Ooh, flash. That was good. That was important. Too much drift.
Damn.
Incredible.
Damn, drift isn't working for you. Damn.
Oh, come on.
You would know.
Oh, bad. In Cheeseland too. Incredible. So bad.
Come on. If a Swiss is gonna beat any round, it's gotta be cheese round.
Yeah.
Not good enough.
Well, and at least now people know I'm bad. It doesn't matter.
So who's in the top 3 now?
I don't know.
Oh, we can't see. Let's see.
Well, I'd rather be good in Grand Cup.
Just stick to trading. I'm being honest. Like, you haven't had a good run.
I really didn't have a good run.
Russell says the baby was on my back the whole time.
Excuses,
back. Russell. Why is your baby always on your back?
Oh, somebody picked the track. You're disqualified.
Oh, shit.
Yep. You don't get anything.
Damn. Well, that's the rules. Can't break the rules. Come on.
I told you, you have to go random. You have to go random.
Come on. NQ, let's see it drop.
The crazy part is, chat, I've sucked so much at Mario Kart recently that Celine is now rooting for me. And that's crazy.
Yeah. That's how far we've come. You were really good that I was hating on you. And now I just feel bad each and every Friday. I'm like, come on, Nick, try for 9th place.
Yeah.
Try and make 9th.
It really do be like that, though.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good, though. That was really good.
Brandon, you won't be able to join after this. There are already 2 races in, so...
Yeah, it's too late, my
friend. Too slow this week.
Well, he got friggin' 5,000 accounts already from this, so...
Ty3 says, Celine, how bad do you have to be at Mario Kart to lose to him? I haven't actually played him. I haven't lost to him, actually.
True. But you would, to be fair.
Well, I don't know. I kind of wish I had the internet to race you right now. I think
so it is the internet, huh?
Well, whatever it is, the connection. Whatever it is.
We got you.
I think it's definitely latency, whatever, because you're in Switzerland, I'm in Australia. But anyway.
Sure. That's what it is.
Yes.
Oh,
Shadow says Kalina, the pullback. Kalina, that's a new one. Kalina. The pullback is holding hard. I hope so. I need this 15-minute gap to hold. If we're going to go on to invert this 15-minute gap, I'm probably out of this trade. And I'd honestly probably like to take...
I got overtaken in front of the line. Fourth. At least fourth.
Okay, 4th is better.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt you. I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. I think I was just saying, if we invert, I'm taking longs, but that's it. I got no other plan.
All right.
We're just risking it now for the Grand Cup.
Okay, so one lady can't win. Just looking at which one it was. The one in red. The one in red. What's the one?
Do we know the name?
No.
We'll just... The lady in red.
The lady in red can't win.
Cam Bam on a... Wait, is that Camille? Cam Bam, I feel like you changed your profile. The profile picture.
Oh.
Camille says, I'm on a long...
She picked the track again.
No.
Are you stupid? It's Lauren. Lauren can't win.
Lauren, you're messing with fire. I know.
No.
She's probably just trolling now.
Maybe.
Marco says we'll let it slide, but if she uses the internet excuse when she's playing paddle, then we know. Marcos, there will be no excuses when it comes to paddle. I'm taking that very seriously. Shadow says don't long yet, wait for confirmation. Yeah, the confirmation would be if we do invert this 15-minute gap. I'm very much deciding on this gap, how we react in this 15-minute gap, because I feel like it could go either which way. We haven't quite taken out, like, Asia low still intact, Asia high still intact. Yes, we did have this drop from London Open, but maybe it's just going to act as a pullback and we're going to continue to break all-time highs today. So wait, I do know...
She didn't pick a track. What? Lauren said she didn't pick a track.
Lies.
Yeah, for real. Ooh. Well, we'll see after. Ugh.
Shadow says, yeah, I don't look at anything lower than the 15. Damn. I mean, I definitely look at the 1 minute for execution, but for like the execution on the 1 minute, I'm using the 15 minute to determine that. But yeah, I need the 1 minute.
No. Damn it.
Oh, we were doing good then.
Yeah. So good. Ugh, scary. Why is Ryan faster? Oh, nice shot, Ryan. That was actually good. That was really good.
Third place, not so bad.
No, it could be worse. Oh, the blue shell is coming, but it's not gonna hit me. Tee.
You're holding on to that thing. Oh, there we go.
Ghost.
Sheesh, you're doing much better in this round.
Yeah.
You could be coming back.
Maybe.
I think it's most likely. We're giving away 3 accounts, let's face it.
Maybe. Goes. Oh, wow. Okay. Good shot. Gotta give you that. Not the blue shell. Not for me though. It's a cool track. I've never played this before. It's actually cool.
Monkey pressing button said I went back and watched. She went random all 3 times. Lauren, come on. Don't be lying. All right, if this 15-minute gap closes, we're going to be looking for longs. Let's see.
No, 3 times got shelled. 3 times red shelled is incredible. That's a lot of bad luck. And fucking...
The ink is the worst. That's got to be the worst.
No. Oh, and start. Wow. Did you guys see that? What I just received from everybody? Did you see that, chat?
I don't think there's any coming back from this.
That's incredible. That's incredible. Did you see that?
Yep.
I was in second place for a while. For a very long while. Wow. Okay. Well. Maybe it was the other lady, by the way. Maybe it was not Lauren. Leah says that was me. Well, thanks for nothing, Leah.
Who was the one picking the track?
I'll go back and stream after and check.
Okay.
Yeah, tie 3. I mean, come on. You see that? Maybe it was the other lady then, Lauren. I'm sorry. Then in this case, it was this other one. Wait, did Lauren just drop out now or what? No, she's there. Okay.
Oh no, imagine Ranger quit. She said, I want an account just for the blame, the trauma.
Well, live with the trauma. Yeah, today again.
Yeah, it's not looking good.
Game. I should just focus on trading. Fuck that game.
Yeah, I don't know if we should keep doing this. It's not looking good.
I was so good too. I was second place. Like right until the finish. And then
sadly that's not enough.
Everybody.
Sadly that's just not enough.
Yeah, Marcos, clip it. Also, I suck at Mario Kart. Clip it. At least I've never messed up a turbo start. Ever.
That's gonna be... You're just a dummy if you're stuffing up that.
Yeah. Red shelled. Okay, 1. Let's see. Let's see how many we can get. Oh.
I just added into the trade just now.
You added into it?
Mm-hmm.
When are you doing that?
I'm giving a A little bit away, am I?
Yeah, I like it. Taking this on your Grand Cup account?
Mm-hmm.
What is this track? There was a banana behind it, you little fuck. Blue shell.
Let's go.
Enjoy. First place, enjoy. Detroit working out?
Yeah, it's dropping. I mean, when I say it's dropping, like, you know what I mean.
1 point.
5 points.
In the 1 minute shot.
We're dumping, Nick. We're dumping.
Uh-huh. Sure. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, whatever.
Oh, Nick getting cooked. What do you know? Another Friday, another session where we just sit here and watch Nick suck.
Incredible.
Right.
Incredible.
You got to give it up. I think you got to hang up the boots, Nick. Like,
I think so.
You got to retire from this.
Yeah, I think I've grown up. Can focus on trading now.
Yeah, I think so. Leave it to the pros, Brandon and Russell.
Leave it to the kids.
Yeah.
What's this item?
What the hell is that?
I don't know.
Can you use all of them?
Yeah.
Oh,
apparently.
It's like the ultimate item. And you still screwed that up.
That's how you know. That's how you know you're bad, when you get such a cool item.
And you bang into the wall.
Yeah. Okay. All right, 3 accounts.
All right, who do we have? Jazz?
Chain Main. Okay, we'll see. So Ryan, Jazz, and Chain Main. All 3 of you, take a screenshot of this. Actually, with your phone, like take a photo, and send it to me on Instagram, including your email address. Even if you have sent me your email address before, you still got to send me your email address again. All right.
Nice.
Congrats. You beat me. Fair and square.
Congrats, chat. We did it. We knocked him out again.
Yeah. This shit is stupid.
Nice
I focus on trading.
Yeah, look, we just chopped around my entry again. Let's see.
Leah says, I love you, Nick, but the times you've told me that I suck when I lost, it's my turn. You suck. Yeah, Leah. Can't argue with that. You're right. I can't argue with that. You deserve to say that.
Juan Lagos, we haven't seen you here in a while. Hello, Colleen. Hello, Nick. Are we not green today? Ooh, well, I haven't taken any wins today, no. But that's not to say I won't be green by the end of the day. How about that?
I like that thinking.
Yes.
Jens, how's the cup going? I mean, Celine and I are both in round 3, so far so good.
I don't like how this 15-minute candle is looking. What the hell is that wick to the downside?
Okay, give us, Roman, let's go to Celine's screen. Celine, when did you add and how much did you add?
I added 2. Once we had the 15-minute high sweep, we then had another displaced move to the downside, inverting a 1-minute FVG, and I took that up. I just took a 2. It was valid.
What, you're in micros?
2 micro add, yeah.
Okay. And why did your chart move 15 times as much as mine in the same time?
Wait, hold on. Okay, here we go. Let me just scale that back in. There we go. It's too slow, the 15-minute. I can't sit here.
Hey, Juan's, you don't have to go to the 15-minute. Just go to the 5-minute. Juan says, the cowboy hats are top tier on both of you. I always hope you both get massive green. Hey, thank you, Juan.
Thank you, Juan.
I hope the same for you. I hope the same for you, my friend.
Bogdan, it's too early for that song.
MMQS, Nick, do you use this new strat in the Grand Cup? I don't know. Do I?
He's not going to give it away, guys. Don't even try. This is competition at the end of the day. I gotta not reveal too much here.
Nope. Hey, Luke Plays TV says, requested my second payout from the free 100k select I won a few weeks ago. Let's go. Ooh. Well, Luke, that's what I call free money. Congrats.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Rob, easy going short because of a 1 minute FEG is pretty insane. Is the W when the weekly daily hour 4 is bullish as fuck? Well, you know what? What's his name? Rob Easy. This is the strat. If I don't play the strat, then I'm doing something wrong. So I'm in this trade because my model tells me to be in this trade. So I'm gonna be in this trade. And you know what? I do know that I'm watching this 15-minute price. I'm watching this area of price in the 15-minute, this gap. And if it does invert, then yeah, I do have a stronger inclination that we could be going up. So we shall see.
Nice try, Mo. Nice try.
Mo's in the chat. I can't see his comment.
Fifth last comment.
Oh yeah, I see.
It's a good one though. It's a good one.
I love that he tries still.
Yeah, I've seen worse. Mo. Jam says, I'm in these shorts. We are cooked. Sure, if you say so.
Potential. I mean, don't ever risk more than you're willing to lose. How about that?
Mo says, damn you, Nick. Ben saw how many days to wait to get the account that he won in a giveaway? Up to 7 days. If it's longer than 7 days, let us know. And you're back.
Is there anyone still?
You just can't leave it, huh?
Oh, sorry. I don't even realize I'm doing that. Shit. See? It really is an addiction.
You're an addict. You're an addict to the 1 minute chart.
All right. This is 5 minute.
You're full porting your cocaine. You gotta microdose it.
I don't know what's going on. I'm jittery too, damn it. It's the Grand Cup. It's shaking me up. Can't just chill.
Mario Kart King says, I got my account yesterday from last week and passed today. Nice. Is there a London stream next week? I think we will have London streams, but Celine and I are not going to be on. But we're going to have some substitutes.
I'm going to take the lungs. I feel like I just want to degen this right now.
You flip the lungs?
Let's see. Wait, what time is it? No, I'm going to wait for this 15-minute candle to close. I want to see. If we invert this 15-minute gap, I'm in the longs. That's it. I mean, that's my first trade. It's an L on the Grand Cup account. It's not good enough. If I just got stopped out and we end up dropping here, I'm going to be even more mad. Let's see.
So do you switch to longs now?
No, I'm waiting for the 15-minute gap to close.
All right.
If it doesn't close, no. Okay. No longs. Amir said Francisco already called it. Selena's out by tomorrow. No. Don't throw me off here, chat. I need to lock back in.
Well, she's saying she took this on Grand Cup, but did she really? It's mind games, chat.
Damn, that would be a nice sell on gold as well. Focus. Lock back in.
Lock in, Celine. Lock in. You won't get an opponent that loses every day. at a certain point, you're gonna get an opponent that makes money. So
I know. I'm waiting for that 8 AM update. It's gonna tell me a lot. All right, wasn't the worst loss?
So far, every single opponent I had on the first 3 updates, every single time I was behind.
Yeah. I think the first day I was like that.
And then he fucked up. Yeah, it was Tim de la Cooked.
Tim de la Cooked. We're zooming in heavy on the 1 minute. Feels better.
HE Trader says, Francisco is never wrong. He's smartest Congolese man after all. I'm telling you, Francisco knows things that we don't know.
I mean, it's kind of creepy that he knew how many steps you'd done.
Yep, that was creepy.
NQ1 Celine's SL only. Not today. It's not gonna have it. It's taken 1. That's it. That's all it can take. I'm not gonna allow it. Gotta wait and see.
Is Celine gonna go long, chat?
Gotta wait and see. Doesn't look like it. This gap looks like it wants to hold. Well, I need the 1 minute reaction. Yeah, let's get a poll for bias. Roman, you want to put a poll in there to see
bias,
whether people think this is going to go up or down? Bullish or bearish? Let's have a suss what the chat is thinking.
A question, Celine.
Yes.
Again. I was just about to say, what time frame are you on right now?
It really is a problem. I didn't even realize. That's when you know it's a problem, when you don't even realize. All right, let's see what the chat is thinking. Everyone, put your votes in. Is it going to up or down?
All right, everybody in the poll is saying up, so that makes me love my shorts even more.
Ooh. Kind of want to get back into it now.
Into the short?
Mm-hmm.
Well, why did you exit?
Well, I didn't choose that, did I? I got stopped out.
Well, you chose to put the stop there, so you did choose it.
That is true. Stupid stop loss. Stupid stop loss always making me lose money. How about stop the loss and stop putting the stop loss? It's Friday, it's staying flat, says JD London. Well, we could be. Don't love that idea though. I need this market to move so I can make money on my Grand Cup account.
The good old Grand Cup.
Welcome to the Grand Cup. No stop loss butcheress. Never gonna be me. I will never be the no stop loss butcheress.
She's Machine Gun Colleen.
Mm-hmm.
She's doing her own thing.
Don't you forget it. Ask Trump to post something. What's the poll coming in at? Oh, It's not so. It's closer than I thought. 58% thinking it's going up. 42% think we're going down. It's kind of close.
So are you taking it along or not?
Wait. There's 4 minutes. I got to see this 15-minute candle close. Shit. It's tough trading with the pressure now. I don't know. Do I degen it? Do I wait?
Do you really have pressure? The other guy is down 600 on the last update.
That's true. I should probably wait for New York session.
Francisco says Nick is the official bando man. Good bando man. I like that.
Misty says you are not making 1K in so far this tournament. So Colleen saying because when you get tough opponent, you can be cooked. Misty, chill. I have not been going hard because my opponents have sucked. So what do you want me to do? I've just been taking like small trades and chilling.
Let's check Blue Eye. Speaking of Misty. Ooh, still in. All right. You want to listen to it?
Of course.
Wait, I'll give you the other one.
I have pop music.
I'll give you the other one.
Which one?
Nice.
Cool. All right, I'm locked in now.
Bando man has been challenged.
Maddie says Celine sticks to her strategy. That's the main thing. Yes, but I don't think the strategy is going to get me over the line, though. Like, if I'm versing a gold trader here, like, in all fairness, I actually would have had a clean gold sell in the session now, but I wasn't actually watching gold. But, what am I saying? I'm versing a gold trader, so it means I do need to position myself a little better. Like, I do need to be probably taking more trades and that, because if he's a good gold trader and he's winning big, then I might be cooked.
Let's see what my opponent does. Roman, let's go to my screen really quick.
Yeah.
What is he trading, my opponent? Let's see. Sender How. What are you? Who are you? Why are you?
Should I call you?
What are you? Should I call you Mr. Sender How? Okay, he's an NQ trader.
All right. I feel like that's always easier when you both trade the same asset.
Oh, he went down bad though. He had to recover with a $4,000 win. And he still ended up only $2,600 in the plus. He had a roller coaster day.
Yeah.
I know, he's mentally cooked already. He's not ready for this.
That's good. You got him weak.
Maybe.
That's what you want. Makamaker Drew, are you playing Mario Kart today? Too late. We have already given away those accounts. We did play Mario Kart. You are too
Misty
slow.
says, I told you too many times I changed my name before round 2. I know, and I asked you what your new name is, and you didn't tell me. So that's why.
So who is Blue Eye then?
His friend. But Misty, what's your new name?
What?
What the fuck?
I don't know.
The African, are you Francisco's brother? Asking for a friend. Misty says, you know, in the finals. Sure. Good luck.
I reckon Misty's full of shit. Robot just shorted. Drop it, baby. Well, we're still respecting in this 15-minute gap. So, I mean, shorts could still be on here.
Well, you didn't enter
liking it.
another trade, did you?
No, you didn't.
Mm.
Hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Wait, where are the executions? Where did I get stopped?
Francisco says Misty is legit. She will make it today, 100%. Well, if Francisco says so, he knows everything. I trust Francisco. If he says it is so, it is so. That also means NQ is going to go down to 118.50 to 101.50, somewhere in that zone. So the shorts are shorting.
Look at that. I got wicked out of that. High
What time frame are you
was
on?
33. I'm just showing you something. Wait. High was 30,326. Stop was 323.75. Just rage baiting.
Okay, now go to the 5-minute chart. I mean, this looks very dramatic. And now scale it down.
To what?
Like just on the right side, on the price. Drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it, drag it. Stop. That's how I look at it. Does that look dramatic?
That looks boring. That's what that looks like.
Well,
look at this.
Wait, okay. Doesn't every trading influencer say trading should be boring?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Fine. We'll scale it back. Oh, but I got wicked out of those damn shorts. Damn it. Okay. How did I end up back on the 1 minute? I'm here now. There we go.
Misty, see, Misty knows. Boring is profitable. Misty knows.
All right, fine. Here, the small little 5-minute candles.
Celine, I want you to continue your win streak. You got to make it to the finals.
I know. I need to continue. I will. After this, don't worry. I will be just glued to the charts. Don't you worry. I got this. Also, I
believe in you, Celine. I believe in you.
I'm hoping my opponent is right now losing a lot of money on gold.
Well, you'll know more in 5 hours and 13 minutes. Actually, not true. I'm lying.
No,
3 hours and 13 minutes.
It's my 10 p.m. Yeah, 10 p.m.
Ooh, you might have a long night ahead of you.
I know. I'm prepared. Don't worry. Friday night.
I'm going to be watching. When that update comes, I'm going to be watching you. It's going to be interesting.
How else do you want me to spend my Friday night? I'm going to be up trading all night.
Nice.
If my guy is watching.
Unless your opponent is down 10K, then you can relax. Then you can go to sleep.
Yeah, there's got to be a buffer. Let's say he's down like 1,000. I think I'd be happy to pull it. Ooh, you reckon it's still close?
I mean, yesterday at the last update, my opponent was $300 ahead of me. One update later, I was $2,000 ahead of him.
Shit.
And he didn't lose money.
I don't know what that feels like because all of my opponents have just been like.
But that's what I'm saying. Like 1,000 is not enough. 1,000 can be made up for easily. If you have a $5,000 buffer, yeah, then you should be good.
Like yesterday, I closed in profit at 1,000. I was like, yeah, that'll do. And lucky, my opponent just lost everything.
But just know, if you look at the other traders in the Grand Cup, a lot of people are hitting 2,000, 3,000, 1,500.
Yeah, I know. I got to trade more.
You don't have to if your opponent is down. That's fine. You don't have to just for the sake of it, but just be aware that 1,000 is only 50 points on NASDAQ with one mini.
Okay,
no,
I
it's
know.
not a lot of money.
My head. Stop.
I'm not trying to get into your head. I'm trying to make you aware because I want you to succeed and I want you to continue.
Yeah, because we have to battle it out in the finals. That's what I want. That's what I really,
See?
really want.
So if you want to battle, then you got to make sure that you have a big enough buffer over your opponent. $1,000 is not enough buffer.
Okay, I will do more. I'll trade more. I can't really risk anymore. I was risking 10 micros, so can't do anything more than that. But I will just take probably more trades. But I will say this. I'm going to wait till the 10 p.m., the 8 a.m. Eastern reveal, and that's going to tell me what I need to do.
Maybe you're lucky and your opponent is down 10k. In this case, go to sleep, enjoy your night.
Maybe. It's going to be interesting. I do like how this 15-minute is looking, though. I do like it.
4
shorts.
Shorts. I'm in shorts. I like that. Well, the poll said 57% up, 43% down. So I like down.
Yeah, I guess whatever the opposite of the chat, hey, seems to be what works. Tushara Chaudhary says you need to trade more and mini will be better in trail stop loss. Well, I think what I'm going to do, like I was trading yesterday, is trade micros, trade smaller, and then if the position is working, if the long or short, whatever it is in profit, I will add at a particular point, and I will trail to break even, take partials at 1-to-1. I'm going to do something like that. It's going to be micros. I don't want to trade the mini because I do want a partial. That's how I want to do it.
I remember outlaws with hats beefing with no hat outlaws. Now hats are losing. Well, Stereo, I remember I was beefing with Marion because she wasn't wearing her hat. I was wearing my hat. The hat is still in. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Mike says maybe that's a strategy going against the crowd. It definitely is part of his strategy, I feel like.
She feels like, chat. She feels like. Oh, Stereo, you meant in the poster. Yeah, that's true. Celine doesn't have a hat. She's still here. I don't have a hat. I'm still here. Well, Sputnik did have a hat. He's also still here. But actually, okay, wait. Let's test this theory. I like this. So, let's see. Okay. We have how many hats? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 people with hats, 12 people without hats. That's already even. So from the hat guys, let's see. Riz out.
Gone.
Brian Stonk out. Jake out. Kane out. Amos out. Jen out. Joey out.
All the hats.
E-Money still in. HA out. Brett out. So out of 12 people with hats, 9 are out. So that means 4 no hats survived so far and 3 hats survived. It's pretty even.
Oh.
Well, we might maybe follow this theory. Let's see. Nice, Roman. Nice.
That's a big wick on the 15 minutes, says Shadow. Well, zoom out, Shadow.
Hey, Lynn, I'm proud of you. Let's go. Let's go.
Here I am, zoomed out on the 15-minute. That looks tiny. What are you talking about?
You don't have to be 50-minute. You can go to the 5. That's fine.
Okay.
15 is a bit too slow, but 5 minutes,
okay,
perfect.
There we go.
Yeah, there
Would
you
you
go.
look at that? What wick? What wick, Shadow? Just go to the
Bingo.
5-minute. What wick?
Bingo. Look at you, Celine.
I'm learning. Marco says, and that's how we got a new hat indicator.
The hat indicator, I liked it.
Not the most exciting London session today. Not the worst, not the best.
No.
Very small range.
It's fine. Trading Market says, take off your hats, guys, or you're losing. Test it. No, I can trade with a hat or without a hat, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Although I can't really see with the hat. Unless I put it on like this. And I look like a clown if I put it on like this. So can't see my eyes, guys. I'm the cowboy with no eyes. Looks like 3 times more badass.
It's gonna be so weird when we see your hair and your eyes again. Like, whoa.
Yeah.
What is that?
My hair looks like shit all the time because I have the hat on now.
I know, me too. Hat hair. Jade Fleur says, if someone's in round 3, how much reward he secured? I think around 600 US, right, Nick? You were saying?
Yeah. Well, let's go to it. Roman, screen, please. If you go to the rewards page, you can see. Round 3, you get $625. Round 4, you get $1,250, then $2,500, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, $80,000. And if you're the winner, you get 200 bandos. But
huge.
I don't know. I think the Outlaws don't get anything off that except if we win first place. But I don't know. Could be wrong. Let's see.
Brandon is asking, Nick, your strategy involved Camarilla pivots.
What is that?
I don't know. Camarilla pivots.
I don't know.
Clearly not. Never heard of that. Technical analysis. Huh. It was developed by a guy named Nick. That's funny.
Really?
Nick.
Was it me? I have forgotten that I invented it.
I mean, so far I went top place. Wait, Jetta Fleur, I don't know how to say that. Are you in the jewels right now? Quick, I want, if Nick eliminate, then we have 100% chance we can win. Wait, where are you at in the jewels? We want to know. Let's look you up. What's your name? Okay, there is no Judd in there. Jade Jaffler. What's your name? Quick. I want to know who you're versing. Is this guy gonna reply? He's got like a minute to get back. No, my dual name is different. Okay, tell me your dual name. Tell me who you are.
Maybe his dual name is different.
Oh, shut up. Could you imagine? Jade, you have like 1 minute. Tell us your name. Let me see where you're at.
Joanna, is Buddy still okay in the Grand Cup after last night? I don't think so.
He's gonna need like a week off to recover. Options with Banana says Cosmic Bibek is his name. Let's have a look.
Oh, wait. What the frick? It's already 10 a.m. UK time?
Yeah, I know. What the hell? Wait, I'm just going to look up this guy real quick. Canadian. Right. Okay. 1, 2. All right. Well, every round so far, you've been up a nice like $2,000. So right now, you're still up. I'll be scared coming against you. You've been doing good. So keep it up. we shall see how far you get. But yeah, it is that time. Crazy.
Yeah, it is that time. Chat, you know what to do. Put a big fat W in the chat if you love the stream. Put a fat L in the chat if you hated every single aspect of it. I will see you later in the New York stream. That starts at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I will join in at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And then, of course, next week, as we told you, the London streams, some London streams are going to happen, but they're going to be different. We're going to have guests doing them. So it's going to be very interesting. Make sure to still tune in. And always tell them, we miss Celine and Nick. We miss Celine and Nick. And for those of you who are still in the Grand Cup, best of luck for today. And yeah, Monday, before I forget that, Monday is the in-person stream in Miami with the whole New York team. So tune into that. That's going to be fun. And before we leave here, Celine, Machine Gun Killeen, any last words for the chat?
Yes, keep an eye on that leaderboard. Chat, you know what the deal is. I'm coming for that Grand Cup. Even though I will be on a plane halfway across the world on Monday, you best believe if I make it through today, I'm trading from the sky. I'm not letting this go. No one is coming for my bounty. Thanks for the sessions. Thanks for the week. I will miss you guys next week, of course. Also going to miss being with the Tradeify gang in Miami. FOMO already, just thinking about it. But make sure you guys tune in. Make sure it'll be a chaotic stream. But also next week for the London sessions. I will try pop into the chat. I'll be busy moving and shit like that. But I will try be there. Keep the discipline up. And I'll see you guys the following week. I will be back June 9th.
Oh, yeah.
See you then.
Peace out.
Love you guys. Peace.